show you what this looks like. So 1 minute away, and he'll be pulling up in a Tesla Cybertruck, I think. That's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So it'd be kind of fun to see this thing pull up live, and because he says he's about 1 minute away. So as of now, OpenAI is holding a developer day, and I'm actually on my way over to developer day right now. It's about 7:21, and the doors open, I think, around 8:30 for breakfast. And I thought we'd get there early. So Alex Finn is actually along the way. I'm waiting. He's basically my fancy Uber ride. And I think that's him over there. Yo. Okay. Yeah, that's him over there. Okay. I think he's gonna turn around. Oh, it'll be easier for him to, yeah. Cool. I'll show you real quick. So he's over there. He's doing the U-turn right there. Let's cook. All right. And yo, hey, Foul Reaper, what's going on, man? I know y'all saying hello. So no sleep gang. For sure. Yo. I think you could just pull up over here. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to get killed. Yo, I think this is gonna be easier. So I'm just pulling up over here on the street, right this way. Okay. By the way, I'm not famous, so I don't have like a fancy cameraman gonna be chasing around. It's literally gonna be me like this. And then I have another camera. I do plan to go live, and I actually gonna have better noise canceling. I also just realized that I have my second microphone in my pocket. My bad. I've been probably talking really loud or something like that. But I'm gonna get the noise canceling set up so that way there's not a lot of noise as well. Excited to see what the day brings. Yeah, my boy Alex is right here. And then he's gonna be turning right into us. And then I'm just gonna have him pull up right here into this like safe zone. A lot of cool, good parking spots. So what I'll do is basically, as soon as he pulls over, I'm gonna give him this microphone. I have mine already right here. And you're just gonna follow along with us. We're gonna hang out in the car and we're gonna chat about like all the rumors, all the good stuff that's gonna be coming for OpenAI Dev Day. So there's like the agent builder, there is, I don't even know, Sora API and stuff like that. Yo, let's go. Let's cook. Sheesh. Bro, look at this guy, he pulls up. Pull up to the scene. I don't think I've ever been in the Cybertruck before. Sheesh. Bro, how do you even get in this thing? Push this button. Oh my God, this is future. Yo, dude, I was like, I've never been in a Cybertruck. What's going on, man?
Yo,
got those microphones. You want to
go? Are we live right now?
Yeah, we live, bro.
Right. I'm not blocking
21.
traffic, am I?
Dude, look at this. It's so clean, man. Look at this. We're stepping into the future. Holy smokes, bro. Like, have y'all been in this?
Let's go.
Let's go.
How many people are watching?
We got 27 so far. Let's go.
OpenAI Dev Day, baby.
Dev Day. Let's go.
Oh, let's plug in the
address. I got yeah, Fort Mason Center, I think. Yeah. Everyone's pulling up right now. Say hi. What's going on, man?
Yo. What's up?
So this is how we're getting into this the future here. So I don't know if you know, but the Cybertruck actually has a teleportation feature. Well, but you got to pay 100 grand for that.
So I'm saving up for that one.
Saving up for that one, right? Yeah. Let's go. All right, cool. Let's see.
See the future.
Let's see the future. Let him cook.
We're live.
Oh, okay, we're live.
Let's go.
My guy.
OpenAI Dev Day. ChatGPT agents will be driving this car soon.
Oh, can you imagine ChatGPT agents just pulling up on the scene? Yeah, so San Francisco, the weather's absolutely stunning outside. And as you can see, this is kind of what the mountains look like. Just, gorgeous.
Beautiful morning.
Beautiful San Francisco day. How's everyone doing right now? What are you guys most excited about? What are you excited about, man?
I want to see more codex features. So everyone's talking about the agent builder. I'm going to be honest, I don't really care about the agent builder. I don't think that's the future. I don't think in 10 years people are going to be having a grid of like MCP servers on their screen. I want to see what like the application layer over codex will be. Hopefully they have announcements around that.
Yo, that'd be really crazy. So codex, like the CLI or just like the actual?
No, like the actual, like, because Claude's like focused fully on the CLI.
Right.
I think Claude is the best coding agent right now there is. But what Codex is doing interesting is the application layer, like cloud agents you can spin up and send off. I want to see if they add more to the application layer rather than just working on a CLI to see if there's other interesting things we can do with it.
I see. Dang, that'd be crazy.
Like what if they added like project management to the build or something like that, you know what I'm saying?
So kind of adding on these extra features in Sui that you do basically that will help you ship your apps? Because that's what takes forever right now.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, just just more tools on top of it. I mean, I do think like Claude's the best pure coding agent, but I think what could put Codex above is
Samson King says, "Good to see you, Alex." Yo,
good to see you, my friend.
yeah, man, we're totally live right now, on our way to San Francisco. Might as well use this time to go live and stuff. Also, if you have smash the thumbs up, obviously.
Smash it, like it,
Like, yeah,
like it.
yeah. So we're going to try to go in until we get kicked out. Yeah, that would be really interesting. Dang.
What are you looking for?
I think, to me, I want, like, I've wanted this forever, and it's basically last year, I think, when we got Responses API, a way to just do these vector databases and all this cool stuff for cheap. And I think that they kind of did that already in some ways, right? Like, you don't have to have like Pinecone database. You can just throw stuff up the OpenAI. And so, like, I'm really curious as an app builder, what can make my life easier. When I like vibe code an app right now, there's just like a lot of stuff that kind of has to happen just to get it all set up. Authentication, databases, front end, and stuff. And I don't know. I think the biggest challenge right now is just kind of really connecting them all together and then making them actually do really cool stuff. So, like, I just want to set up like a camera somewhere and just say, hey, like, just tell me what's in the room. And then, like, now that I have what's in the room, like, tell me how I can, like, do something with this really interesting information. So,
So what do you mean, like, so something that like shows you what's in the database, like your database schema, and then security, like it shows you kind of the whole picture of the app, or what are you looking for specifically?
yeah, it'll just like make it easier to plug and play to build the apps in the front end. So like, yeah, because like I want to build better user interfaces that aren't necessarily a website or a
Yes.
phone, right? So I want to like stuff. So talking to like a Siri thing, or do something where like it's just video, right? But it's like really unique to you, right? Really unique to me. And like I'm not gonna see the same things if I point my phone somewhere versus like where you point your phone somewhere.
Interesting.
Yeah. Stuff like that is really interesting. Right? Like imagine if you had like a little laser interface.
Oh, that'd be sick.
You're just looking at cool stuff, it's like that's really important in your feed. You know, I don't know. It's really kind of a mix of different things. Yeah, like
You see Claude Imagine? Did you see that?
no. Oh, you mean the interface on the side, like it's a little button you kind
Well, no, they it's an experimentation mode. I think this might be the future of vibe coding, where it's like generative UI, kind of like what you were just talking about, where
yeah.
you put in an idea and it builds the UI, it builds the app out like as it's going, right? So if I say I want a to-do list app, it'll quickly build the front end for the to-do list, and then if I click new, and it does it like live, like in front of you, and then if you click like new task in the to-do list,
Wow.
it will then build out that functionality. Like it builds it out as it goes. Like it's a generative UI where I'll click the new task and then it builds out the new task functionality right when you click it. So it's almost like it's building the app as you're doing new things, as you come up with new ideas, and as you're interacting with it. I think that's actually like really, really neat.
Oh, that's cool. So it doesn't require a lot of prompting.
No, like you're not even like prompt. Like you do an initial prompt to kind of build the initial UI.
Yeah.
But you start interacting with the app, and it builds out the app based on what you're doing with the app in real time.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I want that as an app.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, so okay. Let's kind of rewind it back a little bit, right? Humane AI pin. I think they were going for that future, right? They said that like Imran and Bethany like are very like deep thinkers, right? They like to think really deeply in the space, and so their first attempt, while it wasn't a success, a lot of like success leaves clues, right? So you can always learn from other people's failures, right? Like Thomas Edison's 1,000 like inventions to get to the light bulb is kind of one of those. Given to you, right? So what's given to us in the 2010 era was iPhone, right? iPhone apps, like building on top of that ecosystem in a containerized way.
Mhm.
And it's very profitable because it gets people to like think about a brand, an icon, something that they do, and it's tied to you. But in this AI era, you can vibe code apps, you can do these things. If that's still the future, do you still kind of think that we're going that way? Or like, what do you think is kind of,
It's hard for me to grasp. Like a lot of people talk about, oh, the end of apps, the end of websites. It just kind of generates as you go.
right?
And like I thought Claude Imagine was an interesting version of that.
Mm,
But it's hard for me to grasp a future where that's every experience we have is kind of this
right.
generative experience.
Mm,
Here's the issue. I think that works for like people like me and you and the 41 people in here right now. I think that'll actually work because we can come up with ideas like that on the fly and like we know what we want.
ah,
I think what my concerns, and this is kind of the problem I'm trying to solve with the apps I'm building in AI,
mm,
is I think a vast majority of people, and I don't mean this as like some sort of cynical insult or anything, but I think a vast majority of people lack the ability to creatively think.
mm,
And so, like, if you give them all the tools in the world, the most powerful tools in the world, and a generative AI that builds things as they go, I don't think they'll think of things to do with it,
I see.
right? Like, you look at Sora. Sora is the coolest generative, like the coolest AI video
Right.
thing ever.
Yeah.
But a vast, it's unlimited creative potential. You can make any creative idea you have, you can make a video of it in seconds.
Right.
But what do most people do? Oh, make a Minecraft version of Rick and Morty. Like that's every video on there. It's just Minecraft version of Rick and Morty, Minecraft version of Simpsons. Like zero creativity. And so the point being is like
True.
I don't I think the future rather than people being able to come up with their own experience and it just builds out for them is more like I still think we need structured experiences because a lot of people just can't come up with like creative ideas for what they want to do and what they want to build.
True. Dang. That makes sense. So then we're in this phase right now where like take a problem that is currently happening and just try to solve it really well. Like
Mm-hmm.
maybe it's like if you're really good at screenwriting, a Hollywood screenwriter right now probably can't get a job too much because like the industry is kind of dying. But if you have your hands on Sora and you're already good at storytelling, you can then put together frameworks that you
Same time.
let's go. Like what's the most recent one that you're working with or something that you're kind of excited about right now?
So I'm always working on Creator Buddy, but there's a few other things I'm working on. I'm trying to basically solve the problem I just went through with you, which is like, how do you make a technology useful to someone who has, how do you make AI useful to someone who has no creative thinking abilities?
Hmm,
Right? That's the problem I'm trying to solve. I think if you can solve that, you unlock the market even further. Because right now, I think the market is mostly a bubble of just like people like you and me and the 45 people in here who they kind of know what they want to do. They know what they're doing. And like there's something to Web3 gaming. I think it's absolutely horrible right now, but I think there's something to that in the future, the kind of Ready Player One world where you own the things in the video game. So
Okay.
I'm thinking about that as well.
I guess you can, if you think about the earliest video games for computers, like Oregon Trail or something like that.
Yeah.
They were so simple, but it's like literally just text based, and they were just working with whatever they had, which is like putting text on the screen, and like that was it. But that was like super high tech and super interesting, then. So, I guess sometimes some of the best games are really simple to start out with, right? And then they evolve over time. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you can. I mean, that's the best part about vibe coding, though, dude. Is like, I usually save my gaming coding for right before bed, just because it's like relaxing and you get creative and it kind of, it's low pressure and
Wow.
you can just be like, oh, build me a sword fighting game, and then you just see what it does, how it comes up with something creatively, and then you just tinker from there. That's the fun part. That's like the playground for me, is like building the games with the vibe coding.
Yeah, man. Yo, can we just get a quick tour of the Cybertruck? Like,
Let's do
holy
it.
smokes, man. Like, this is like the back seat back here.
It's huge back
You
there.
got like windows up here, bro. Like, I'm in a helicopter right now.
It's your first time in one?
Yes, it actually is the first time. Yeah, you got the whole steering wheel, like that's kind of this thing here, and then you have, just this little ground piece down here as well.
It's the biggest screen in a Tesla.
Wow, you could even put your phone over here. We could just kind of
Charges right there.
Yeah. Oh, well, look at this up above. Yeah, like it's all like very like triangle based and everything like that. Oh my goodness.
My favorite part, although you won't be able to demo it on this live stream, is the speaker system. It is the best speaker system ever in a car. It has like the most speakers.
Whoa.
They really won't be able to hear it at home, but yeah, that's my favorite part. But yeah, it's sick.
Whoa.
Awesome.
I think I lost signal for a bit. I wonder what if I'm still back on the game. Yeah, let me know. Just drop in the comments. Yeah, because it says there's still people live, and it's still live. Maybe it just kind of delays or something like that.
It's like I got 4 bars.
Yeah, so we're basically going through 280 right now.
Look at the nature. Can they see the nature? Or is it going to be too hard to see?
I think they could see it. I got everything. I got the
like
zoom. I got 48 zoom. Let's go.
Oh
48.
yeah, you got the new. Is that the max or the regular?
I got the max, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, I got to go all in, bro. All max. All max everything. Yeah, we're in. Okay, cool. So this is 280, and we're approaching, I think, 92. And this is probably like one of the most beautiful drives, like it's kind of like a secret drive because it's off to the side. Yeah, and there's like a body of water, and that's the reservoir from Lake Hetchetchee, or the Hetchetchee Reservoir, and the water that goes from here is probably one of the cleanest water in California. And the only people who get access to that water are people of San Francisco. So San Francisco people, if you just drink straight up from the tap, you have the best drinking water on the planet. And yeah, so if you're in San Francisco, you don't have to buy bottles of water. You just literally just go like.
SF has the best tap?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
From Lake Hetchetchee right there, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's sick.
It's kind of crazy, right? Like it's literally it's cracked. I mean, that's probably why everyone wants to move there.
That's very cracked. Dude, are you getting the foldable iPhone next year?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm getting everything.
So you're trading up. You just got this. You're going to trade up.
All the time, bro.
Okay, I love it.
Yeah. I mean, like, I'm live streaming, so I got to have,
You got to have the latest and greatest.
Yeah.
That's what I'm holding off. So I got the iPhone 15, and I think the orange one's sick.
Yeah.
But I got to get the foldable. I'm waiting for the foldable.
Yeah. Do you think the foldable will be... I don't know. Okay, so Johnny Ive is going to be at the event. What do you think? What predictions? Are they going to announce the thing today?
I don't think they're going to officially announce it. I think they will hint at it. Okay. I think they'll hint at the form factor, which there was a report that came out yesterday.
Right.
About, I'm thinking about getting, wrapping it in black.
Oh.
There was a report that came out yesterday on what it is, which is basically just the humane pin. Someone, I think it was, I forget which site came out with it, but they said that it's just going to be a small device with a camera and a microphone that's aware of everything going on around. You can hear everything and react, and it'll have real-time conversation. So, I mean, I'm excited for it. They'll hint at it in their conversation. They'll hint at the form factor a little bit.
Yeah.
I doubt they'll officially announce it, but they'd say like on stage or something, we get to see it. But I don't know. We'll see. I think it's gonna be sick though. I just returned my Meta displays I think the technology is cool, but I don't think it's there yet. I think this will be one of the first AI wearables that actually is like there, you know?
That's right. Yeah, because the language model is already fairly mature and it could already do a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm just trying to project into the future. I read a similar article that the rumor was that they had like 20 engineers from hardware
Mm-hmm.
pulled in and are like working on the prototype, right? So
Mm-hmm.
even at best, if they're super experienced, they'll get like 18 months into the future, to like spit something up. But that's already with existing mature like pipeline of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, really probably like 36 months or so, maybe like.
It doesn't sound very technically complicated though. Like it just
Right.
sounds like it's like a small microphone and camera. I bet it's gonna be the software that might be the harder part. I think
Yeah.
it's probably just like the design and the beauty that's like, what's I don't know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting.
Like AirPods are beautiful, and a lot of the sauce is in that hardware software like mesh,
Yeah.
right? Because it's so seamless. You just take it out, and people who used to pair Bluetooth headsets, it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
And then there's like different standards like HFP and like low, like there's just like how your car connects versus what you're listening to. And like within that, there's all these different bandwidth layers. So like you'll get like varying quality of audio just depending on what specific headset you connect to.
Mm-hmm.
And like all of a sudden with AirPods, you just take them out, put them in your ear, just like sauce. Like you don't even think about it.
Yeah.
There's no pairing.
It's
There's no,
amazing.
yeah,
It's incredible how they're still king like
yeah.
8 years into them being out.
Dude,
There's
has it
nothing
been 8 years,
close.
bro?
I feel like it's been AirPods.
Oh,
I feel like it's
wow.
been. I mean, and it's crazy. There's like nothing even close. Like it's
Okay.
universally everyone's like, oh, the AirPods are the best. They just
Dang.
no.
I got a secret for you, bro.
Give it to
So
me.
I was in the lab with Johnny and like the folks there at the design team,
How
and
long ago was this?
I can't really remember dates. Everything's kind of a
Okay,
big ass blur, but like it was back at least several years plus before like
over
any
under a
announcement.
decade ago.
Yeah,
Okay,
at least.
okay.
And um, basically, I got them in my hand. I'm like, what is this? It looked like dental floss,
Mm-hmm.
and it's everything you like the weight and everything today. I'm like, oh, these are crazy.
So it looked exactly like the
Bro, had the
original ones you
magnetic
got.
latch, everything, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, so like the design studio can just pump out anything that looks exactly real. And the only thing that was missing was the software on it. And
Mm-hmm.
I was like, dang, that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
And like the original stuff was like a little speaker on like big tablets, right? You connect to it and you have to like bring up all the software and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And all this stuff is kind of based off of similar architectures to like the watch and all these other things for like communication because they have to kind of work with each other. So it's like uh, just getting that to work and like install firmware over the air because I was doing a lot of that stuff too. It was a pain in the ass because they have to sync between the two, and then the case has chart. Like it's crazy how this thing just even works and turns on. But
Right.
then like battery life, right? Because that thing has a little tiny battery.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah,
I remember when it came out and everyone hated the design. They thought it looked so stupid. And now it's like it's the norm. Everyone has them, everyone's wearing them, everyone loves them, and everyone else is copying them. It's amazing.
it's crazy. Yeah, like oh man, like it changed the world because I don't think people really realize they're like, aren't they just gonna just fall out? Because most
Mm-hmm.
people's AirPods when they had but most people didn't realize when you had the cord hanging down,
It's
whenever you're
pulling,
pulling,
right?
yeah, it just pulls them off. They're so light, but without it, it's become the standard now. So, uh, dude, that was
How
absolutely
can it
crazy.
evolve any further? How can it evolve from its current form factor? What's the next step past that?
I don't know. It's like, designers kind of like once they kind of figure it out, I think they kind of move on,
It
right?
might be in like the smartphone era where like I feel like the iPhone's been figured out. Like,
Right,
right? Like there's the iPhone innovation is pretty much stopped because
right.
they've figured it out. And the AirPods just might be at the figured it out phase, you know?
Did you see that Robert Scoble interview? Or maybe it's just a podcast of him talking where he's talking about 360 cameras. He in
Hmm.
San Francisco who has this camera where you walk in, but you talk to a pet.
Yeah.
And he's guessing based off the supply chain that that's kind of what put into your house, plus this other maybe connector piece or something that will allow you to have this kind of seamless conversation, almost what Siri like HomePods should have really been, right?
Yeah.
Like imagine adding a camera to your house that can just detect everything what you're doing and have context wherever you're going throughout, plus being connected to your phone. Because I guess if you think about it, Pulse from OpenAI is sort of that right now in a step of that direction. It's connected to your email, connected to your calendar, connected to all of your chats, and then does this like thinking at night to kind of understand what your goals are for the day.
Do you think the general public is ready to have a device in their home that hears and remembers everything? I mean, because with the HomePod and all those, like, they're definitely recording everything and saving it. But
Yeah.
like, at least they are lying to us and saying, "Oh, nothing's recorded, nothing's being sent." Like it'll just be like, "Yeah, we record and save and connect everything and store everything." Like, do you think the general public is ready to just give up their privacy like that?
Well, I think it could start out in elder care. And us as like, our
Yeah, you're losing
generation.
your mind to use something like this.
Yeah. And so, like, I don't know, like, for me, if you have to care for someone who's elder, there's a lot of people that are going to be in this boat because they're the biggest generation who are now going into this last phase of life. And it's at a point where now technology is kind of entering their life where they're now used to it.
Mm-hmm.
And so for them, they're just like just think about it as a caregiver. You can on that other side of it, you can get alerts if their face is not really looking too well or they're moving slower than usual. I mean, having worked on the Apple Watch, there's so many different things that you can get just from a sensor that's on your wrist, right? Like movement speed, even the phone being in your pocket, they're able to detect early stages of Parkinson's and these things just from your gait of walking, right? There's a lot of really cool health things that are done from sensors on the device, but also just from visuals or auditory stuff too, like even understanding emotion. And so you can tell like if there's enough cameras in the room, if they've taken their pills or not for the day, because that's actually a pretty common issue for elder care. It's like they don't even remember if they've taken the pills, and if they did, they can overdose too. And a use case like that, I mean, you would pay lots of money just to put that in their
Yeah.
home. And guess what? Guess who has all the money? The older generations, because they've been accumulating wealth for the longest period of time. And massive gap that people aren't focusing on because they're too focused on serving people who are much like who don't really have a lot of money, right? But these people have a lot of money. I think there can be interesting use cases that start out there to learn from, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I think it can go on further from that because they also have the most complicated health records because there's a lot of records, there's a lot of doctor visits, a lot of extra stuff, and AI for that because it could just grab all that information. Make sure that she hasn't taken their pills because she's already kind of an hour behind on that.
Mm-hmm.
I think even something like that can be super useful already, and it's not even here yet per se.
Right. Right. Yeah, I mean, are you going to be willing to put that in your home and it hears and remembers and stores everything and sends it to Sam Altman?
So, I think, yeah, I think that's the other question about that because I know that they're moving in the health direction, and I don't know what the whole privacy story is behind that thing because, right, like all that stuff is being trained, like all of your voice and all of your records and all the different things in that. And yeah, I think that there's a lot of pushback to it. I think there's camps of people who are like YOLO, just, give away everything. But there's also like a lot of other people, especially, people who come from the Apple world, they're just very used to privacy being a very center focus, in terms of like that. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, that's the amazing part about Apple, right? Is I have my criticisms of them. I mean, every device I own is Apple. Uh, having data, they have no reason to share it with everyone.
Right.
You know, OpenAI, they've already admitted they're going to have to rely on advertising at some point.
Mm,
Meta is very, very reliant on advertising, right? That was one of my hesitancies buying the displays.
interesting.
So it's like, you know, are we willing to put something in our home that listens and stores and records everything, where one of their main business models will be advertisement? So we know they're using that information to sell it.
Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah. Even if it is anonymized, right? Like you're basically, you don't get kickbacks from that.
Right?
In
No,
fact, you're
no.
paying money to get access to these like super intelligence type of systems. Yeah, it'd be really interesting to see what the person like. I mean, what do you guys think? Just drop it in the comments. I'm really curious to hear.
You
Uh,
putting Are you putting OpenAI HomePods in your house? That's what I want to know.
yeah,
Are you letting Sam Altman listen to everything you do?
yeah.
I'll give my answer. By the way, I am going to.
I,
I'm going to sacrifice my privacy.
Are you gonna have Zuckerberg like appear in your curtains when you're washing your? He's gonna be looking inside of your shower and be like, "Yo, what you got in there, bro?"
Nerdy Zuckerberg, I'm not letting you do it because he looks much cooler now and does UFC. I am letting Zuckerberg listen to everything. I'm not even joking.
Bro, this is so crazy. Can you believe we're live right now in San Francisco in a Cybertruck and we're like chilling? Yeah, this is so crazy.
As
And
future as we get.
so, I mean, we're just having this conversation, kind of hanging out with us in the truck. I want to show you a little bit of what this looks like in San Francisco. We're approaching the city. I know, like this camera sometimes has focus. If you're in this part of 280, kind of over by In-N-Out, and let's see what's going on over here. All right, so yeah, we're probably about what 30 minutes away.
42 minutes.
42 minutes. Dang, just to go 10 miles?
Yeah, kind of crazy. I wonder if we got.
Yeah, let's see.
The traffic here.
Okay. Is there like a zoom?
You know, like zoom out.
Yeah. Let's get these people to show. So we have to fight all of this traffic to go through here, and then we're at the very, very tip of San Francisco over here. So I think the longest part is probably just going to be going through this traffic
Yeah,
zone.
looks like we're about to hit a little traffic.
Yeah.
Now.
And then that'll be it.
Morning rush hour, I guess, in San Francisco. Yeah. Probably a lot of other people coming here too. I hope we get a parking spot. We're going to drive around a little bit. I think I don't think everyone's going to go in there for the breakfast. You know. Yeah,
because like it's like a breakfast and mingling thing.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
I mean, this is all nerds, so then no one wants to mingle. Like,
nerds. Really. Yo, Codex probably wouldn't do the OpenAI pods, but when a self-hosted option comes, then I don't know. What's your take on it right now, Alex?
I mean, we're in the middle of a huge race to super intelligence, and these companies are purposely not putting out very good open source models because they don't want to give away their secret sauce. Like Elon, the latest open source, the latest open source one is Grok 2, and we're on Grok 4. And like, I don't know if people remember Grok 2. It wasn't that smart. I mean, Grok 4 isn't that smart. Anyway, don't want to insult people on X. What was I saying?
It's just live on YouTube right now.
All right, good. But you know, OpenAI's open source model was not great either. So they were purposely not giving us great open source ones. I mean, I guess you could use the one from China, but you know, I think one day when we hit super intelligence and compute is incredibly cheap and we have unlimited abundance, then we'll get some good open source ones. But I think as we're on our race to super intelligence, you know, I don't think any of these companies will be releasing, you know, open source ones that are that usable or efficient because they don't want the competition to get their secrets, you know?
That's right. Yeah. Well, like right now, DeepSeek dropped this thing called sparse attention, and it kind of went under the radar last week. But basically, what that does is allows you to have a bigger context window with it like being a lot cheaper to actually run. So it doesn't cost as much resources.
How does that work?
They published a big ass paper, but every time I don't know if you up the context window, it's a like quadratic scaling, so it's not double. It's like almost like times. That's why it's really hard to have a million token context window. It uses up a lot of resources, and typically like Google and those companies, when you do go to like close to a million, it's really, really slow. It costs a lot more, and then they'll have these different like thresholds. And so theoretically, it kind of flatlines over 100K tokens, and so the cost stays the same, and you can keep upping the context window which would be really interesting, according to the published paper and according to their findings. And so, yeah, theoretically, if you're like probably people are looking at Nvidia stock right now, they're just like, you may not need as many GPUs. Obviously, you'll need more.
I'll buy
Yeah,
every
yeah.
dip.
I'll buy every day.
If people keep selling because DeepSeek does something efficient, I'll keep buying.
Yeah, it's one of the craziest things because buying Nvidia stock buys OpenAI, buys like all these companies who actually like there's a circular dependency. I don't know if you saw, right? Like
Yeah, they're all dependent on Nvidia is the core to all of it.
that's what's nuts, bro. And then TSMC is kind of like the one that's kind of like the little toothpick
Yeah,
that holds up the whole like shenanigans.
it's
Yeah.
crazy. It's like a monopoly that, but they got the monopoly not from shitty business practices, but from like just making incredible products. It's amazing. Like AMD just can't come anywhere close. Like they just don't know how. It's unbelievable.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know. Let's see. iBoot says hi. Gonna try to make it in the next few years for File Reaper for sure. Codex says he's got the OpenAI pods. If I put OpenAI pods in my home, says Damien, the cops will be called night one thinking, and the kids are gonna be killed with all the screaming.
What's Codex doing in his home where cops are being called first night?
Oh, is Damien? I don't know. I guess because the kids are screaming all the time,
Oh,
we have like really rowdy kids and be like, yo, are the kids under control? Um, Same, to be honest. I don't have anything to hide. I just want more automated life. So why not? Yeah. Uh, Damien's like, I don't need backup batteries because I got the Cybertruck.
you got nothing to hide. But what's the saying? The moment you give up your privacy for whatever, well, you know the saying. Well, you
Yeah,
can't, don't give up your privacy.
exactly. Actually, that's a really good point because people can then start framing
Freedom.
stuff, yeah, against you. And that's the whole reason why we even have privacy to begin
It's
with.
like the moment you give up your privacy, you lose your freedom or something like that.
Right.
Even if you got nothing to hide, you don't want to give up the privacy.
Exactly. Yeah, because you don't know what type of actor is out there, and they'll just take something you say and frame it against you. They're just like, oh, this snippet at the time when you're like your kid's screaming, right? Like your kids are screaming, and then somebody can make a claim saying, well, you're obviously abused your kids because they aren't, whatever, right? It's like, dude, they're just being kids. And you're like, no, like, kids don't scream this way. So that's, so that's a claim. And then all of a sudden, like, boom, like, it's like, if you just never had that thing on, like, it doesn't really matter, like you're not doing anything different than anyone else, but like now it invites other people or other actors who have access to that to start, doing things that you don't want.
Yeah.
And all it really just kind of stems down to is just privacy. It's like, yeah, I don't need to know. Close the doors, like stay out of my life type of thing. Like I'm just gonna do me. I don't need you in my life right now.
Yeah, exactly.
But the other side of it is like you never know when something can happen where government has more control into companies like this, right? So if something happens and the government's like, yo, we need to see like what's going on because this is too powerful technology. You need to show us every record of every single person, just point blank. Or there's a lawsuit that happens. All that data has to be handed over for a court to go take a look at.
Right. And say it's a corrupt court who doesn't like you for some reason. Thinks
Yeah.
you're antisocial. Now all of a sudden you're in trouble because
Right.
you give up your privacy.
Yeah. And all of a sudden it's just out there.
Yeah.
And it's just like there's no protections at that point. And like so you're kind of better off just saying, yo, just tell me what you need and I'll just give you that information, right? Like that kind of thing. Like health records. I think, if they only need if your doctor only needs to see a certain thing, you just give them that. And if another prescribing doctor only needs to see that, they're only going to get what they need to see. It's just like there's these already established practices for privacy that it's a really interesting discussion. I feel like that's a really good one. Not enough people talk about it publicly because I don't think, yeah, but it will become a bigger deal because data is a very sensitive topic, but it's actually kind of needed for these AI systems to kind of take the next big leap.
It's the most important part, right? What kind of context these models can get to, they're already extremely intelligent.
Right.
Right now, it's like, okay, what's the application layer? And that's going to come from your data and context.
Because the camera is flipped and that's what YouTube does. it's gonna take us 35 minutes. Run there faster than we're gonna get there for the traffic. But this is San Francisco, uh, and like this is kind of the pace that we're at right now. It's just like stop and go. Um, I don't know if you know, but like San Francisco, these people love to stand in line for things like all the time. It could be a fancy new restaurant opening, and there's gonna be a line outside. It's just the culture here, yeah. No, I'm just making fun of you. But yeah, no, San Francisco is amazing. There's a lot of stuff that's kind of going on here. And so we're headed to Fort Mason Center. Right now, we're basically just landed in San Francisco, like the southern part of it. I would say we're pretty close to San Francisco State University and kind of this like neighborhood and stuff. And pretty soon we'll see the Golden Gate Bridge, which would be really cool. So I'll flip it around, and then we're gonna be going past the Golden Gate Park, which would be super awesome. So yeah, we're basically headed over to Dev Day. The beginning part from 8:30 or so is when the doors really open. They're gonna be doing security check and all that good stuff. So they'll check our bags. I came loaded. I have like cameras. I got laptop. I got batteries. I got these wireless mics. You know, we're live right now, and then there's gonna be I think at 10 o'clock, a live stream with Sam Altman, maybe Greg Brockman.
I think it's the keynote with Sam for the first hour where he's probably going to announce the big announcements, and then there's just talks the rest of the day, wrapping with a conversation with Sam and
Joni
to wrap the day.
Yeah, yeah. What you think he's gonna wear his white tee and like pants?
Probably.
Yeah, just like walking in God mode.
Legend.
Bro, that guy is a legend, bro.
Yeah.
Like, Sir Johnny Ive, bro. Sir.
He got knighted, right?
He
That's
got
why
knighted,
it's
bro.
Sir?
Yeah, that's legendary status. I'm not even from England or anything, but I was like,
If
dang.
you got knighted, would you force everyone to call you sir?
Oh, I guess
feel
you
like
have to do that, huh?
do that. You don't have to.
Oh yeah, he does it. I mean, you just say,
Yeah. I don't know.
You
I
just
don't
chill
think
like
I'd
that.
do it.
Yeah, no.
I'd be too embarrassed to be like, no, it's sir, dude.
Yeah,
Call me
yeah.
sir.
I'm just chill. Like, I mean, the dude is chill as hell.
How
And
many
just,
people get knighted a year? That's a question.
I don't think that really happens that
Should we
often, right?
chat GPT this?
ChatGPT, yeah.
Here we go. Chat
Yeah.
GPT.
Drop it in the ChatGPT. Are you a speaker at the event? No, definitely not. Why do San Francisco residents love standing in queues? Because it's the only line they can afford to be in. Ooh. I think a lot of people in San Francisco make a lot of money.
Dude, 80 people a year get knighted?
Seriously?
That's bullshit, man. Can I curse on your stream?
Yeah, yeah.
That's they got to keep that more exclusive. There's just 80 people going around saying, "Hey, you gotta call me sir from now on." A year?
A year, yeah. Maybe you pay a bag. I don't know.
I
Like,
was expecting that to say like 2 every 5 years or something. Like you got to keep the knighthood very exclusive.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, I was thinking 2 or like
If
one
everyone's
every
a
couple
knight, then no
years.
one's a knight. You know?
Yeah, that's right. Well, you need an army, right?
Yeah. It just I don't like that.
Yeah. Well, why don't you make your
Come on,
like?
UK.
Yeah, come on, UK.
We're all gonna sit around here and pretend like the royalty means anything. I mean, you gotta
That's
at least
right.
keep it exclusive.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's the AI royalty, right?
There's that. We're in San Francisco, so it's Sam Altman, royalty
Yeah,
here.
I feel like you got to hit the billion-dollar club. You know, the 3 commas.
Elon is royalty in San
I mean,
Francisco?
he's like beyond 3 commas, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, he's what is he? How many
6
commas is
commas,
he
right?
now? He's
Or
500
yeah.
billion. That's
He's-
5.
Dude, he's almost at $1 trillion, bro.
He's half a trillion.
Oh, why that was like 300 something.
I mean, Tesla's up a good amount today too. I think they're up
420 something, 421.
Yeah, more than that. I think they're like 440 now. They're announcing the cheaper Model Y. I think tomorrow.
Really? Have you seen them driving around?
No,
Like stealth?
I've seen the images on X though.
Okay, I've seen a couple stealth ones.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. There was one over in Mountain View in a parking lot, like kind of parked in the corner. He's like wrapped in this like zebra looking like thing. I was like, bro, you could tell because the door handles look like the Y.
You think it's
Yeah.
gonna sell like hotcakes?
I think so. I think price point, yeah. I don't know if it's like
35K. They say it was
35K. That's crazy. How are they gonna keep up with the supply of everything?
Well, that's Elon's specialty. He's the master of manufacturing.
That's crazy. Yeah, because that's the biggest problem right now, right? Like supply chain bottlenecks.
Yeah, and now they got rid of the discount, so they're going to come in with a cheaper car, and that's pretty compelling, you know, because all the other ones are getting more expensive.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that'd be pretty compelling.
35K for a Model Y would be insane. I mean, just the price alone. I mean, we get so many people.
We might, on our way back, have a new toy to play with here. Full self-driving 14 is supposed to come out today.
Today?
They're slow releasing it, so I might not get it off the rip. I'm also in a Cybertruck. They always do it first for like the Model 3 and Y.
I see.
But we might, maybe the miracle happens. We have it on the way back.
Hit up some people in Tesla. Who's got the Connect right now?
Although, I mean, like, this is like we're gonna get there without touching the steering wheel once, so we don't really need FSD 14. But
can y'all believe that we've been basically autopiloting in the Cybertruck? So I have not been in the Cybertruck, but we got like these little like windows and buttons over here. This feels like I'm in the future. It also feels low key like I'm in a helicopter because you got this glass up here. You have glass all over the place. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. So you can actually like dance on this thing and skateboard on it?
Yeah, I gotta clean it. I should have cleaned it for the live stream.
Yo, this is crazy. And then this is like the back seats and stuff. And then also like getting into the actual car, there's like no handle. So if you watch the very beginning of the stream, I'm like, bro, where do you get there's like a little button that's literally like on this little panel here on the side that you push to get in. And yeah, so like we are very loud in this vehicle. Like at just driving, people are just kind of like probably giving eyes, you know, like if we kind of take a look at something.
I always get eyes. I get the middle finger every once in a while. They make a lot of judgments based on you having the Cybertruck, but you know what? Suck it.
Suck. Yeah, that'd be crazy. So we're approaching OpenAI Dev Day. There's a lot of people who are going to be showing up. I think 1,500 people, right?
Do you know any other? Do you know like a lot of people coming to this? Like
I do. Okay. Yeah. I think Nick Dobos, like the guy who does every. Who else is going to be there? There's Alex Volkov from Thursday Eye. He's going to be there pulling up. I think who else? Who I got on stream? Get Max is on stream. He's also going to be there.
Nice.
Who else is going to be there? A lot of people from last year. Kyle. Some other. There's a guy named Flavio. He's the guy who the reason that why you see those hexagon balls floating on the screen. He's the guy who did that. He's going to be there.
What heck? Yes,
those
I know.
Balls that kind of float around.
He's the one who came up with that test.
Yeah.
But we're past that benchmark, man. All the models do it. We got to find new benchmark.
Yeah, and so he's actually gonna have the shirt that says "We'll see him."
Wait, the shirt says I came up with the hexagon
yeah,
test?
like I'm the reason why you see hexagon balls on your feed, bro. I was like, that's
He's really owning it. I love it.
Yeah,
hexagon guy.
Yeah, you're like that guy. You're like, okay, thanks.
Thanks for that benchmark. That's now been totally destroyed.
I like how benchmark comes out and everyone kind of just floods the scene to be like the person who does it. Also, like Simon Willison's little SVG one about generating a pelican, like in riding a bike or something like that. Yeah, like that was really interesting.
I gotta come up with my own benchmark. I mean, I have the world famous Alex Finn benchmark, which I do in my videos.
What is it?
It's 4 tests. Different things like creating a 3D fly-through of a city. So it has to come up, it has to build the 3D city, it has to build the camera system to go through, it has to have, it's also at sundown, so it has to have like good lighting. So I have a few things like that I do, which it's usually a good indicator how good the model is. But they're not as famous as the hexagon or the pelican. So
I see.
We'll work on making it famous.
I got to come up with one about like cooking.
What's your benchmark? How do you test these?
How do I test?
First thing you do to test.
The first thing I do is go live and add a feature to my app.
Okay.
Like literally the first thing I do. I was like, okay, we're gonna go live. We're gonna go test adding a feature. Like that's it. Like
so where do you stand on Claude Code versus Codex at the moment with Sonnet 4.5?
Oh, with Sonnet 4.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a little bit of mixed reviews right now, but GPT-5 High is my planning. Like I pull it out every time I want to do plans now. That is the one I pull out. I always compare it to Opus every single time. And then Sonnet 4.5 in Droid, I give it my plans and it can just really with Droid. If I use it in Claude Code, it's trash. Like,
do you think it's
trash?
What? It's so trash.
It overwrites. It does like it doesn't look at all of my existing code base, even though it has a spec file, and even though there are rules all these different folders. That's kind of why. Real quick, in between of all this, guess what we see, ladies and gentlemen? The Golden Gate Bridges. Let's see. Oh, please get the focus. Okay. the bad part about YouTube live stream is like I don't have a lot of camera control, and so like
Is this the new vertical live stream on YouTube?
yeah, exactly.
Are people giving you stickers and gifts and like
I don't think
that's a
so.
new thing, right? You can do like stickers and stuff.
I think let's see, is that even possible? Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think it's
that's
possible.
a new part of the vertical. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Does it say
Give this guy some stickers.
to live stream? Yeah, yeah.
What are we doing here? Give this guy a sticker.
I don't see any sticker options. Let's see, live chat.
But you're hosting, so maybe because you're hosting.
Let's see. Yeah.
Isn't that part of the thing? They're like trying to copy TikTok, where you can like give like turkey stickers and it's like worth a penny or something. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I think. Oh, I see a sticker down below.
Did someone just give you a sticker? That might just be an emoji, though.
Oh, an emoji. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's like super stickers or something. If it's like, I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, like the paid stickers or something.
Something like that.
Yeah. So we're approaching the city right now, and this is like you can see. It's really cool when you're driving to see Golden Gate Bridge like that.
It's a beautiful city.
Yeah,
really, really beautiful.
This is awesome, and the sunrise right now with the lighting is just so cush. Like, just beautiful. Can you actually see the bridges? My bad for the bumpies. Okay. Yeah, so this is the city. It's really fun to kind of see the houses, right? Like this is just like Sunset District, I guess, right? And it's just kind of obviously like probably the busiest street ever. But it is what it is, right? So how many hours does a single charge of CB take before you need to recharge? That's my dream car. I love, with love for my Nigeria. Dang.
Is that Cybertruck?
Yeah, yeah.
How many hours does it take? Like can you drive for a single charge?
It says 54% or something, right?
Well, I mean, the range I think technically is 320 miles, but you don't get that. You get like 250, 260, so 250, 260 miles or so. I mean, as long as you charge at home, I never, I get battery anxiety or anything. If you got a charger at your house, you just plug it in at night and it works. I live in an apartment building, and so they have 5 chargers for the entire building. So hundreds, if not thousands of people. Oh. And yeah, I don't really have any issues. I'm never really anxious about the battery or anything like that. So, wow. Yeah, and then when you're on the road and you do a road trip and you drive a while, you just go to supercharger. Right. And they just came out with the V4s, which charges, I think, at like 500 kilowatt hours or whatever, which means you can go from 20 to 80%, which is usually the recommended charge range, in like half an hour.
That's crazy fast. Holy smokes.
And they always put them in convenient places for those who don't have any electric vehicles. They're always in like in front of a cafe or a restaurant or a shopping mall. Right. So you can walk around. So
some bougie place.
There's no, I wouldn't worry too much about the battery. It's good. It does the job.
Dev Day is starting the live stream starts at 10 a.m. The doors open in about 15 minutes to get breakfast. So there's probably going to be a big queue of folks getting in there. And we're gonna go through like a check. I give them my ID, and then they give me my badge. And then I think there's like a swag section where you pick up some swag. Like I think when I first got there last time.
We're getting swag? We're getting OpenAI swag?
We should be.
Fucking go.
Yeah, let's go. You get like, I think it was like a bag. You get like a sweater. I got a sweater last time.
A sweater?
Yeah.
Were you here for the last Dev Day?
Yeah.
I can't wait to represent our overlord, Sam Altman, by clothing and merch.
Yeah, let's go. I want the hat. You got the water bottles, right?
Like, we're getting hats and water
I don't know. I'm just saying, bro.
Claude Bell, OpenAI merch, baby. Let's get it.
Let's go. If Claude is giving out these hats and stuff like for their thinking campaign, they got to clap back, right?
You gotta think. They're not gonna let Claude one-up them with coffee and hats.
Yeah. What do you think it will say on the hat?
Think harder.
Think harder.
Claude says, "Keep thinking, right?
Keep thinking, yeah.
OpenAI's will be think harder.
Think harder, yeah. We the
ultra
best.
Think maybe.
Ultra think, yeah. Like we the best.
I don't know. I hope we get something like I went to the Robin Hood Summit this year, and everyone who went got the gold card, the gold credit card.
No way.
Yeah.
Do you have one?
Yeah, I have one.
Oh, that's crazy.
So I'm hoping.
I just ordered the AMX mirror one.
Which one?
The Platinum has a mirror. You can get.
Oh,
cards.
Yes. Yeah, these credit cards in here bullshit, dude. I have the Chase. Like they just jacked up the prices on all of them.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
The Robin Hood one, there's no price. You just get 3% on everything.
Ooh, okay.
Which is the best you can get.
Dang.
and then you can take those points and put in Robinhood and buy stocks.
That's great.
So it's the best
cheat code, actually.
Best R. It is because now we'll talk credit cards here.
Right. Yeah.
When you get points on your Amex and get points on my Chase,
Yeah.
that loses value over time, right?
Right.
Because you're not getting interest on that. That's just sitting there, those points. So the biggest mistake you can make is letting your points sit in your credit card account. You got to spend them immediately.
Dang.
So many people are proud of building up their credit card points.
Right.
That's an idiotic move.
Right.
Because they're printing money. So you don't want to leave your points in your account. But if you have the Robinhood card, you can put in the stock so it appreciates over time.
That's crazy. So it's like a penny per point?
Yes.
Okay.
But you get 3% on everything.
Wow.
With Chase and with American Express.
Okay.
You get like 5%
like
on travel.
Basically.
Right, yeah, exactly. It's like 1% on most things. So, but this is 3% on everything. So it's worth getting.
Oh, my new boss wanted to get one, so I was excited to see this live stream. Watching that, accidentally switched to my switched LED to my speakers, and you said, "Let's fucking go."
Sorry for I won't curse anymore. I'm a cursor. I apologize.
A cursor. Okay, so models wise, yeah, GPT-5 has been my default go-to. Codex model has been really, really good. I've been using it a lot inside of Cursor, but also in Droid more exclusively. And with Droid, I actually generate my specs now. So
you're all in on Factory.
I love Factory. Yeah.
Why is Factory better than the other Codex and Claude Code?
Is that it keeps steering the model, and that I don't have to keep telling it to go look at finish the plan or do whatever it needs to do. And it's really extremely consistent about, especially with GPT-5 Codex, to reuse code in my code base. So the problem I have with Sonnet and Claude Code is the fact that it'll always generate new functions or generate extra code for things. It's like, oh, I'm gonna make this new thing, and here's a bunch of code for error checking and stuff like that. It's like, I don't need that code. That's already built into the AI SDK framework. So it loses track of that, and it has the training data from the old, AI SDK as well. So that's kind of why I like having better harness or something like that will keep it on track. So in my spec, I'll say I'm using AI SDK v5, I'm using this function, and I'll say here's the error things that are built into the AI SDK. And so I just let it do its thing, and it generates the code and just looks really clean.
Shout out John Smart. 10 was that pounds or was that euros?
I think it's pounds. Yo,
that's worth more than the dollar, I think, at the moment. That's
Let's go.
Please send me a frog or mushroom sticker pin. Is that something we're getting? Is frogs and mushroom sticker pins?
I have some from last year. So yeah, John, if you're in the Discord, definitely send me a ping. But I'm gonna try to take a look afterwards. And if you drop your Twitter handle or something, I'll probably take a look, and I could see if I can, get that going. Or after the live stream, drop a comment, because I definitely want to get that going. So that way we can send it out to you. Yeah, because yesterday I had a frog and a mushroom pin. So
yes,
I'll definitely send those across for sure.
What model are you using inside Factory? You're using Codex?
Yeah, Codex for execution. For planning, I'll change it over to GPT-5 High. Yeah. And then I shift tab and go into spec mode. So spec mode is different because it basically tries to understand what you're trying to ship. Different from, and then I find Claude Code's plan is like, I'm going to execute this one single layer plan and kind of get out of there. The Claude models have instructions to kind of keep trying to generating tasks and making sure they're following their tasks. So I think it can kind of steer itself away from your general overall plan because of that, especially once the context window starts filling up. So with Factory, you just keep the chat going, and you don't have to worry about the context window because it keeps kind of managing that for you depending on the tasks that you're working on, right? So it'll still have an idea of your spec, and it kind of checks back in. It's like, okay, let's clear the context window. Let's kind of keep working on this feature, and it kind of keeps everything kind of in mind. So
interesting.
Yeah, I find it extremely consistent. I was like, it's crazy good. And my friend Rudrank Riem, he's actually making iOS apps writing Swift, and he's like, that's his new favorite model now. So Droid with GPT-5.
Really?
Yeah.
Tested them all, dude. I'm a Claude Code guy.
Claude Code, yeah.
Here's what it comes down to.
The plugin or the CLI?
I'm now using the plugin so I'm in Visual Studio.
Yeah.
Using the plugin. I just think the UI is a tad nicer. But it is it does what I say, and it's the most kind of proactive. I
Okay.
find myself with Codex
Yeah.
having to say, okay, well then do it a lot. Like
Wow.
I'll say, hey, I'd like to do this, and then it will say, oh, well, you just got to change this. I'm like, okay, well, do that then. Like,
Wow.
why are you
Yeah,
telling
yeah,
me what
yeah.
has to be done? And with Claude, that never happens. I'll be like, oh, I want this done, and it'll be like, okay, I changed all that for you, and I also did these couple of things to make sure it
Wow.
works well. Like,
Sonnet 4.5?
yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Fire.
and like I like Codex's UI. I like being able to spin up tasks on the go in the Chat GPT app. I think all that's really cool. I think that's
Mm.
Codex's strength.
Mm.
And that's why I'm hoping for more application layer stuff today from Codex. But,
Oh, okay.
from just a proactiveness,
Yeah.
like Claude is just more proactive and just
Mm.
like goes the extra mile for me a lot more, which I really appreciate.
Wow.
So I'm still sticking with Claude Code at the moment because
Yeah.
of that. It's just like I just get annoyed with Codex. It's like, okay, well then do it. Do those things you're talking about. Like,
Right.
why are you telling me about it? Just do it. I don't know.
Yo, Ernesto says unexpected carpool crossover. Yo, y'all weren't expecting that. We're just gonna pull up. If you watch the beginning of the stream, it's pretty wild because like I'm pulling, like he pulls up with the Cybertruck. I'm trying to get in. I'm like, bro.
I see
Yeah.
Ray on the side of the road in selfie mode. I'm like, yep, that's the guy I'm
I was
picking
like, that's
up.
the guy.
There he is.
Yeah, interesting. When Droid, do you have to worry about adding sufficient MCP servers? Or does the Droid take care of that? Like the only MCP server that I'm gonna try out next is the Exa AI MCP. So Robin swears by this, and I think it's mostly for documentation. That's the only downfall of Codex CLI and Codex the whatever anything using Codex is because they are doing like curl requests and they get blocked left and right because they're an AI trying to scrape documentation. And so with the Exa AI MCP exa.ai, they have already LLM ready stuff, and people actually are comparing it to Context 7 and like 3 people have already told me they just prefer using Exa straight up. So I was like, damn, that's interesting. So
What MCPs are you using?
just convex right now. Yeah, that's it.
What does that allow you to do?
For the database, it just allows me to kind of go in. I initially was using it to do error, like check for errors in the logs and stuff instead of copy and pasting.
Mm-hmm.
But because I'm like writing some stuff out, it'll actually read out some of the context. So had this like 4-hour live stream, and it read out the transcript that was written into the database, and so like it instantly filled up the context window. I'm like,
So it can basically what it does is it's able to access your database and pull like
the logs, yeah,
data from it
yeah,
and anything you have in there
yeah, but
from your CLI or whatever.
yeah, but the advantage of using convex is the whole database is in code, so I don't really have to really use it,
Mm-hmm.
which is kind of why I really don't call it very often, but because like I just say, hey, look at the code, look what's happening here, and it has all the transformations. It doesn't have to understand what a row in the database is. It's all written in the code in TypeScript. Yeah.
Here's the thing. I got people telling me, oh, MCP out. It's the future. Everyone loves MCP. It's the most amazing thing ever. Don't use it. Like I
Yeah.
just don't have any workflows that have improved my life where I think it's worth it. And I don't know anyone who like you use it for convex, but I don't know anyone who's like has this advanced
Right.
system of 20 different MCPs. It's like
No.
everyone's saying MCP is the greatest thing ever. I've never met a person who's using MCP like regularly.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm
Well,
not bought in yet.
I have them set up in Claude Desktop, and I'll have like the iMessage one, Notion.
What do you do with
thing.
iMessage?
Oh, I just
MCP?
have it read my messages.
So
Like,
Claude can read your iMessages?
yeah, yeah. There's an MCP like
And
you
what
can
do you
assign.
have it do with your iMessages?
So like when I was trying to close a deal, I basically just had it read through the context and kind of catch me up a little bit because it's been a little while since I've talked to this person. And I was like, what did I talk to them about? What was it that we kind of settled on? Because there was a lot of different details. And I was like, okay, that's cool. And then there was another thing I was dealing with, like a real estate issue. And I forgot all the details about it because I just like didn't have the time to want to scrub through like who said what and what context.
If
And
you
so
want, you can pull the
yeah, okay,
sunshade
cool.
over.
Noise. Epic. Oh, I see. That's kind of like the little mirror thing.
Yeah.
Noise.
And then if you need to, you can do this.
Sick. Yo. Yeah, we're flying right now. Yeah. Yes.
So
I
you
did
gave Anthropic all your iMessages.
Yeah. Actually, you don't give them all. When you do the query, it shows you what query is being sent out. So it'll like search your contacts. It does a contacts query, and then once it searches through them,
It does it when the sun gets on the camera.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Yeah. It'll find the message and it only like limit itself so many message. So it'll say like limit 5, limit 15, limit 20.
Then they're pulling them all.
I mean, so you can run a server in the background for diagnostics. I was doing that because I was debugging the server anyways.
Yeah.
And I was actually watching all the requests go across. And I was like, okay, that's how I actually understood what actual calls they were making. So yeah, they don't just YOLO access to all of it yet. But and it's one that they have that you can toggle on and install that they made. And so you can grab the code and just throw it into, a CLI. And actually that's how I was fixing some bugs in it too. So like, yeah, I was
Interesting.
yeah, I was logging some stuff out. But yeah, because I also wanted to figure out like, where are they sending the actual code to? Are they grabbing everything and so forth? So yeah. Anthropic looking at Ray's iMessage is now like, interesting. Yes. Thinking. Yeah, like they could barely give me good code output, so we'll see.
Yeah.
I have an agent running in company Slack, which can do ClickUp, as well as search through company knowledge base. Yeah, I think that's probably the most practical ways are some of these companies. And I don't know if your companies allow you to grab all the data, but yeah.
So he says he connected it to ClickUp.
Yeah.
And what's it pulling in ClickUp?
He connected to Slack, and so people can ask questions about the database or the knowledge base. So they're kind of like, I guess,
There's like a bot in Slack, and it's like, oh, what's
Yeah.
in the knowledge base?
Exactly. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, because it's probably faster than writing your own bot. You just connect the MCPs, which makes sense.
Does that make sense?
I use Cursor and Droid. Would you recommend adding Rube from Composio? I don't think I've used Rube.
What's Roop?
Yeah, what's Rube?
Roop from Composio. Did you just make those words up?
Yeah. I think somebody is maybe advertising. I don't know. Few MCPs,
No disrespect
yeah,
to Roop.
yeah. Few MCPs that are critical. I use them every day. Playwright MCP or Chrome Dev lets you your AI look to your dev website, take the errors itself. I heard about one of the MCPs that allows, I think it is Playwright, but you have to tell it to go into screenshot mode to get screenshots of your website. And then it will also resize itself to mobile view to fix the mobile issues. So you can just have, like you can do a slash command in Claude Code or now in Cursor or in Codex, and you can just initiate this workflow to say, please make sure my UI works in all like landscape or what all these different modes, and then you can connect the Playwright MCP to that slash command, and that way and then tell it like in the instructions you'll tell it to do the screenshot mode with the MCP, and then that's how it can just keep iterating and fixing bugs just from one slash command.
People still using Cursor?
Yeah, bro.
Really?
All the time. Yeah.
A lot of people?
I think so.
Do you use a Cursor?
Yeah.
What do you do with Cursor?
Everything.
Like what?
Well, I like it for linting. So a lot of the linting errors that if none of the stuff can fix them, real quick in just one shot, it goes super fast.
Better than Codex and
yeah, way faster. Yeah, and better. Yeah,
nice.
Like the iteration loop with that is incredibly fast. I also like sometimes do like if there's large PRs or like big changes, you can do like slash pull requests and like do a git diff to main, and it has a way better understanding of what's happening in that diff than most pull requests. Like even just telling Claude Code to go look at the diffs and stuff like that.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know why, what sauce they're using, but they have some secret stuff that they're trained at understanding. Yeah, so it's just a slash command or slash PR. Yeah.
The question is like, what happens the moment OpenAI comes out with all those features? Are they just dead in the water? Right, because they're going to come out with the AI agent builder today. It's like N8N is just dead in the water.
Yeah,
it's dead. Like they're never going to be able to beat OpenAI.
Right.
Right. Like OpenAI has access to, like they own the model.
Well, like Windsurf is a good example, right? So they're pretty cracked themselves. Like they had a competitor, they were competing with Cursor. People were going back and forth between them. Where are they now, right? Like it's
Windsurf. I mean, they're dead.
Yeah. And Cursor's
overnight,
there. Yeah, literally overnight. So like I think it's kind of like you say, people can kind of come in and come out. I think it'd have to be like almost catastrophically like amazing, but you never know these days, right?
It's like Cursor.
Oh, let's go this way. I gotta just show the view. I like how the camera doesn't autofocus as well in the YouTube camera. with this setup, so I really appreciate it. I think it's the windshield. That's what it is.
A little dirty,
Yeah.
my windshield. I can give it a little
It's
scrubbing.
so gorgeous out. Oh my goodness. You can see Alcatraz. Holy smokes. Wow. We're about to go through a bridge. Yeah. So yeah, we're deep in the city now. We're probably 7 minutes away, and we're gonna be pulling up very soon. And this is kind of what it looks like through the tunnel. Let's go. There's Alcatraz right over there. Yeah.
Yeah, the sun's not directly on the windshield.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It is stunning out today. What's the
Beautiful.
weather like?
It's gonna be
Oh,
78 today.
wow.
That's weather. You don't get
There's
that
the
in
bridge
San
back there.
Francisco.
78 today. I brought my jacket. I don't think I even need it. It's already
No, you
64
don't.
outside. Sheesh.
The weather in this city stinks.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
gonna
it's
be nice
usually
today,
cold.
though.
Yeah, today's like one of the most, this is like the day that you like, if you're going to sell a house to someone, you take them on this day. You say, yeah, this is like San Francisco. Welcome. Yeah, super bright out. Let's see.
Yeah, they're probably gonna make me get off FSD again.
OpenAI Agent Builder. Yeah. Hey, I might be late, but do you expect to be announced? What do you expect to be announced by OpenAI today? Yeah, I guess we got some new folks in the chat. So 64 folks in here. We got one super chat, which is super awesome. Appreciate it. And yeah, Joe, we'll connect with you. What we're gonna expect to be announced today, I think, like the rumors are the agent thing, right? The agent builder, the possible Sora API access. Some folks. Somebody was talking about O3 Mini Pro or something like that, or
O3 Mini. We got
or
a
no,
mini
no,
version
sorry,
of the
O3
Pro?
Mini, yeah, O3
Oh, okay.
Mini, yeah.
Aren't we all? We're on O4 Mini. They're gonna announce O3 Mini a
Or
year
I don't know,
after
like,
O4 Mini comes out.
or this for some routing or something like that. I really don't know. Okay, so yeah, GPT-5 kind of has that. Is it broke now? What else could be happening? Johnny's gonna hop on stage later today, so maybe some hints. I also would be interested if they make something available like over the API to do like what Pulse is doing.
That'd be interesting.
Because like for those who don't know, Pulse is that feature in, I think it's only available to Pro members.
Yeah.
And so that allows you to like connect all of your data to like your emails, your calendars, and whatever. If you're working on something, it personalizes to you, and it'll tell you the next morning, like, hey, this is kind of some insights that we found. Or if you're working on some training goals, try this today. This is your workout for the day or something like that. Like that would be really cool. And the reason why I'm thinking exposing that would be really great, especially to developers, is because it helps them on their mission to like understand what the market really wants, right? So I don't like for OpenAI, they learn a lot probably from developers who put stuff into the store, right? And that's kind of why you see them almost like make the same features, right? Like if they do announce this agent builder, I mean, who's been doing this for a while in this game, and like who's been getting crazy amounts of hype? Like I see crazy videos of people hooking up all these end-to-end workflows. I mean, that's become a whole like thing, right?
Yeah.
And it's probably not going to be an accident. Like if this does gets announced, right? Like it's like, of course, it's kind of yeah, and stuff like that is really interesting. But I think all of this gets us to like the very end where Johnny's at, right? So they need. I feel like if they're going to have a tool or something that's going to be in your home, in your pocket, or whatever with you, you're going to need not only the intelligence of these models, but you're going to need some way to interconnect all these different ideas together to make it useful. And that's, I think, where the developers come in. And we were having this chat earlier because, like, sometimes if you think too far in the future, that doesn't really help you very well. But if you think really practically of, like, what is a need that people need right now? And as a developer, how can I make something like that happen for the next step? Like people who are probably running these boats over here on the marina, they're probably using pencil and paper for filling people in. Like you call someone, they're like, "Hey, I'm doing, are you available? Oh, let me flip a couple pages over," or like some complicated system that just hasn't been digitized yet, right? So you can do that now today with code, but not everyone's adopting it. And as if you're a developer right now, you have a huge runway to going into some of these industries and kind of disrupting it, and not even disrupting it, but just providing service and providing value. Oh yeah, this guy.
Oh, see that
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
Almost killed someone. We're good.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. So let's gonna take a quick look at Fort Mason Center. So that's where we're going. Fort Mason Center is gonna be where it's taking place right now. We got a little bit of blurriness, so apologies for that. But this is kind of what it's looking like. It's a beautiful San Francisco day. I'm gonna roll down the window somehow. I think I gotta hit this button right here.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a movie right now. Like this is the beautiful, perfect lighting. People are crossing the street. Got people in their cars. Let's go. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Wow. Family. Here we are. This is where it's going down. Fort Mason Center. Crazy, right? It's stunning outside. Holy smokes. Yeah. Wow. Welcome to San Francisco. We are here. Uh, we're going to be approaching the building, and I can't wait to take you inside, or as far as I possibly can, before we get kicked out. And I'm already at 71% battery, which is not bad. Gonna definitely have to charge up, but yeah, the plan is to kind of hang out with you guys live. I do want to catch up with some friends and everything because I know there'll be a lot of people who want to meet up, and but it'd be kind of cool. Can't, bro. I can't.
One of them's driving
I can't.
back.
So what's happening right now is there's like a F ton of Waymos that are in the parking lot because,
I have to look at this.
bro, this is Waymo hell, bro.
This is insane.
This
Do you
is
think we'll be able to park?
bro. I don't know. You got the Cybertruck, bro. All right, so I got a strategy. I'm gonna run in front of them and just hold up the Waymos from going. So everyone in San Francisco who's going to this event is literally taking a Waymo, bro. And the problem is that everyone, bro, I can't right now. I've never seen. Of course, it's gonna be Waymo hell because it's like text. It's like.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Bro, okay, so the problem right now is like there's everyone who is going to this event is literally taking a Waymo. And because they're taking Waymos, they're kind of passive. And so they just kind of get in the way. And there's a parking lot full of Waymos. Like it's insane right now. And my guy is just like pulling up. I love that you have this beast of a vehicle because like no one can really do anything to you. And this is where he's at right now. So this is us. And then these are all like the Waymos. So people are actually getting out of their cars. And there's literally a whole Waymo, all these cars turning right into this parking lot right now. And bro, can you believe it?
It's unbelievable. I've never seen.
I don't think I've ever seen so many Waymos pulling up to the city. You gotta stop right now. Effing hard. SF glazing right now. Bro, look at this. Waymo. Okay, in park. You can just pull up right here with this parking lot where that next to that white car. It's just right there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And you could just prepay up here.
You think
Nothing's gonna happen, bro. Yeah.
All right.
All of this is just yo. Yeah, that way we just pull
You're
up.
trying to reserve spots right here?
No.
Okay.
They're all part of this, the same parking meter up there. Yeah.
Okay.
But like
yeah.
literally everyone is in a Waymo right now trying to pull up. And then the event is actually taking place further back there. So like all the cars are trying to go actually inside of the thing. And the smarter people are getting out of their cars right now. So you can even see some of these other Waymos are going around. This is hilarious. This is so Yo, Carl, how's it going? Cart, how's it going? DW as well, SF Lane.
Moving over to the left here.
Yeah.
I don't want any of these Looney Tunes walking on the sidewalk to
I
see
see
my
what you
truck.
mean. Yeah.
A lot of people around here, they'll make some judgments about
I think I'm gonna leave it here. This is insane.
This is Waymo heaven.
Yeah, this is Waymo heaven. This is where Waymos come. This is like the mecca of Waymo.
It's like a
Right.
family reunion for all these Waymos.
It is family. Oh man. Yeah. I don't know. Right now I have
Dude, the
full
price
5G
for a
plus.
Waymo must
Oh,
be insane
you
right
think
now.
so?
Oh, they're paying hundreds of dollars to take this in. The demand is this has to be the highest demand of the year for
Yeah,
Waymos.
that's facts.
Oh, good. There's other Cybertrucks here, so we won't.
Yeah. You're a Gucci fan.
Right
Like
here.
literally, this is gonna be the fun part right here. So we got 5G plus. I got the full bars. I got a backup cell phone. So I got Verizon and AT&T up in here. Um, hopefully we don't drop any forward flames. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is good inside. I think so. It might be packed, but I want to show you a quick shot of the bridge, real quick. Way over here. Stunning. It's kind of blurry. The YouTube camera is not really that good right now. All right. Bro, this is crazy. Yeah, let's go. Let me kind of change my shirt real quick.
All right.
Yo, I'll get my sun. Do I even need my sunglasses?
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. Because we're gonna be inside most of the day. And even if we are outside, it should be chill. Yeah, I'll just need my sun.
We'll be what, outside most of the day?
No, inside.
Yeah. So I figured.
And then it won't be until like later. Maybe people go into that. We're
I
gonna go.
probably don't need to bring my coffee. They're gonna probably have coffee.
Yeah, they're gonna have coffee there. We're gonna go hang out at the after party. Be super fancy. Dude, yeah, this is crazy. Can you believe all the Waymos, bro?
This is unbelievable. I've never seen so many Waymos in my life.
Yeah, we're gonna see this stuff right now. I got the backpack.
It's pretty incredible they can navigate this clusterfuck that's going on at the moment here.
It is insane. Like there's a Waymo in front of us. There's a Waymos all over. Like we're surrounded. Yeah, man. This is crazy.
That's impressive. If they can handle this, they can handle anything.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. I'm
right?
bullish.
Like this is an incredibly crowded parking lot that they're all navigating at the moment.
So in order for me to get out of the Cybertruck, I think I have to hit this little button here, right?
That's it. Yeah.
Ooh, nice. All right, cool. This is crazy. My first time in the Cybertruck. Insane. Y'all got to watch this live. All right, cool. So I'm gonna leave my jacket here. Let me chilling. All right, I think I got everything. My ID. All right, so I'm gonna show you real quick. This is Waymos. You got Waymos on Waymos on Waymos on Waymos on Waymos, bro. Like crazy. And then Ubers. Yeah, if you ever wanted to see Waymo, like this is probably the place to kind of see it right now.
let me just make sure.
Oh yeah.
My line. I'm not sticking out, am I?
Yeah, what number are you? Parking lot?
Oh, 929.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
nice.
we're good. We're not sticking out too much.
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
right?
you're good. Yeah.
Okay.
Sick. And then there's the Golden Gate Bridges. Stunning. And here we are in San Francisco live. And we're gonna just pull up. I think
we gotta go to the pay thing, right?
Yeah, I think it's over here.
929.
Or there's like a pay here there. Yeah, over there.
Okay, over here.
Yeah.
All right, let's go across.
Yeah.
929. Yeah.
Yeah. This is crazy. Nuts. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Yo, hope the Wi-Fi is good inside. All right, what's going on? So we're in San Francisco right now, pulling up. We're gonna pay some parking. We're actually here in the marina, and it's 8:44, and so the doors are just open now. And this is basically they're gonna provide some breakfast for us. We should be able to get some coffee, meet up and hang out with some folks. And then at 10 a.m. is going to be the live stream. So that's where Sam Altman is going to be speaking. And we're going to be hearing kind of what's going on. It's currently 8:45 a.m. here in California. Oh my! Oh, so this Waymo is back up, and they're gonna crash, bro. Oh shit! Yo, what the hell? Yo,
I don't know if honking at
like this guy's backing up into that car. He's getting smashed, bro. He's getting smashed by 2 Waymos. Oh snap! This dude
the driver's
is getting. This is like GTA 6, bro. Yo, we get a GTA 6 up in this. Oh my god, bro.
There's no one driving the car.
There's no driver. He's like backing up into him.
You're not honking at anybody.
Yeah. Bro, this Waymo is out of control.
This is quite a predicament here.
Yeah. Oh my
There you
god, bro.
There's no one in the driver's seat.
So this is
there you go.
This is crazy. We almost watched a Waymo like crushed that poor car over there and then like suicide. Yeah. That's insane, bro. Look at this. This Waymo's pulling
They
up.
don't know how to go past this point.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they don't know how to like turn around. Bro, we almost died, bro.
I love the people honking at the Waymo.
Yeah, they're like honking at the Waymo, but there's no one in there, bro. That's insane. Yo, can we believe that? Welcome to San Francisco, by the way. Speaking of welcome, it says welcome to OpenAI Dev Day. Let's go. Pull it up.
Were there a ton of spots in here? Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
But we couldn't really get past that point with all those Waymos trying to do the U-turn.
That's true. Right decision.
Yeah. It's actually pretty chill back there. And it's easier for you to get out too if there's like later on. So yeah, so we're pulling up right now, Fort Mason Center, and Founders Inc. is basically right there in that building. And then right behind it, towards that way, is a whole bunch of line of people kind of getting in. And so that's kind of where we're going right now, following these people. So here's the event entrance we got pulling up. I'll do a wider view so it doesn't take so much. Yeah, people, bro, we were watching like a GTA 5 or GTA 6 breakout scene, right? Let's go.
GTA 6 in the future.
Yeah.
Waymo's battle.
Seriously.
I agree that I checked it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, yes.
You're gonna go right down the middle.
Thank you very
All right,
much.
thanks.
Line.
Ooh,
Big line.
OpenAI security.
If there's a big line, would you want to go in a Founders real quick to use a bathroom?
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. Holy fun, yes.
I've been sipping coffee for the last 2 hours.
Same. Yeah. So there's like probably speakers or something that are probably going in here. Yeah, Dev Day. Over here's
You wanna?
let's just kind of check the scene and then pop back.
Okay.
Or then like I'll wait and then you go back and forth or something. Let's see. We just go together. Yeah, it's fine. So this is the scene right now. And 1,500 attendees. It wasn't this crazy last year.
Yeah, it's gonna be much bigger this year, right?
Yeah. Holy
God,
guacamole, bro. Goody Cafe. Let's go.
Holy shit.
Sheesh, bro. Oh my goodness.
All right, I guess we're going back there.
Did we pulled up? What?
Attendees through the barricade into
Dude.
the line.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Yo. Yeah, I'm live streaming right now. What's going on, y'all? Yeah. Seriously?
Yeah.
All right, gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Yeah.
Do you want to? I'll wait in line.
Wait, so right now. Okay, so this is like the first. Bro, okay. So we got a whole bunch of folks up in here. We got Cursor in the building. We got, I mean, everyone I've seen online.
Entire internet's here.
Entire internet, the teapot is literally boiling right now.
It's boiling.
San Francisco boiling. I can't believe I'm here without a jacket.
Was that a mistake, me telling you not to bring a jacket?
No. It's nice. It's so,
Oh, good.
yeah.
Good.
Yeah. So much people.
It's gonna only get much warmer too.
Okay, she needs to see my QR code and ID. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna kill anything. Let's see.
QR code and ID. I need to see.
Rhymes.
I got you, fam. I got you, fam.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
let me see if I can get the ID.
Okay, you can walk
Yeah,
around.
yeah, I got you.
Time you
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
your ID.
Right here. Oh,
Beautiful.
all
Thank
right,
you
cool.
so much.
Thanks. Okay, cool, cool. We're
I
back.
need
We're back.
to see.
I need to see. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
Oh,
what
we
you
back,
want.
fam. So much people. Yeah. This is crazy right now.
Live.
Okay, where's your ID? I got it. She already seen it, so we're good.
Show the crowd your ID, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
You show them your ID.
My California ID or the Hawaii
There you
ID?
go.
Yeah.
Are you a full-time Hawaii resident, or you just got a place over there?
Nah,
Is it
I'm full-time for tax purposes, I'm full-time California resident. Yeah, yeah.
government? If you're watching,
Government-
is in California.
I'm a California resident.
there you
I spend
go.
most of my time in California. Actually, I do. I just visit Hawaii a lot because I like it.
It's the two not very tax-friendly states you go in between.
Yeah, exactly. It's just money, right?
Yeah, whatever. Who cares?
Money can't buy happiness. So did you want to pop in the restroom and then I'll hold your spot? Like, there's a cafe right here, right? So they have a bathroom, right?
I don't know. I might just hold it.
Yeah,
This
me too.
line's only gonna
Yeah,
get longer.
yeah, that's true. This is the wow. Look at this. Okay, so this is security. Once we go around the other side, I think we do like a security check, and they got the whole vibe going on right now. Oh, this is crazy. All right, we're gonna bump into a whole lot of friends. Ooh. Okay, okay. This is massive. This is all of the people who are here right now. Okay, this looks like a movie, bro. Like you're starring in a movie right now, Alex Finn. Alex Finn.
Really? I look
Yeah,
at,
like yeah,
Tom Cruise right now.
bro. Yeah,
Ryan
yeah.
Gosling,
Low
well,
key,
maybe.
with the nice little backlit and stuff. I'm telling you, you look super cinematic right now.
iPhone cinematic camera.
Yeah, yeah.
I love that.
I'm not gonna lie, this camera is like really nice. Sheesh. Yeah, yeah.
Look good, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good.
OpenAI Dev Day is live. Yeah. So right now, it's the doors are just opening. It's 8:53.
It's the longest
we got
line
here.
I've ever seen you.
I think this is the longest line I've ever been in. Yeah.
I gotta pee. For those at home,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have to pee. And I'm standing
You
at
have to
this
go.
line.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. But this guy says, "How can you get help?" I think you can ask him.
How can I? I need to
He
pee.
just came from this thing. Oh, bathrooms, first floor. Second floor, right here. Yeah, yeah.
First floor women, second floor anyone.
Yeah, yeah. Just go right here. Yeah, you're in.
All right.
Yeah,
I do. Would you hold my water?
Yeah, I got you, fam.
All right, be
Yeah,
right
go.
back. I'll look
Yeah,
for
yeah.
you. I'll turn on the live stream if I can't.
All right,
see
I got you. Yeah, yeah. I think his microphone is on. I'm gonna see if I can mute it, so that way we don't capture his live stream. You know what I mean? Okay, cool. Test. Okay, I muted his microphone. That way we don't catch him. Yeah. Okay. OpenAI Dev Day. It's a Dev Day. The live stream at 10 o'clock is gonna be live, and I think you'll see it on OpenAI's channel. And so yeah, that's kind of where we're at so far. So okay, for those who are following, who's just tuning in right now. We are here in San Francisco at Fort Mason Center at the OpenAI Dev Day, and all of our friends got the invite. I think there's like 1,500 people here, and we're going to be kind of checking out live. I'm going to be hanging out, and so make sure you stay subscribed because I'm going to be going live on and off. I may or may not be able to continue to be live through the security check, but we'll see. And I'm not sure how the reception is going to be here as well. I got 2 cell phone signal plans, so I have one from Verizon and one from AT&T, so they're going to go back and forth. It's all controlled through the iPhone. Running this through the iPhone. I also have like 60% battery. So we'll see when I'll need to charge as well. And you're going to hang out with me and also my friend Alex Finn and going through the events. I'll be meeting people, kind of hanging out live. And then the other thing I'm going to try to about that as well. So let's see what's going on here. So much people. Waymo should have an AI hookup. Literally was crushing. So the Waymo in front was backing up and the Waymo in the back was going forward and almost crushed that SUV. And so yeah, that's so crazy. As far as resolution, I think this is all I got for the vertical live stream right now. And when I get inside and get settled, I'm gonna go to see if I can stream from my laptop. And then I have another camera that I can use for that. So we'll maybe even do like a higher res stream. But right now I'm just kind of doing the phone thing because that's all I got. And you know, I'm not famous or anything, so I don't have someone who's following me around with a camera. But I think these phones are supposed to be made for live streaming anyways. So far so good. The battery's pretty good. We got that going on. Curious about what you guys want to see. I'm gonna turn this around. So this is the lines. Some folks in here. You might see some familiar faces. Let's see. Let's go. It's a beautiful day today. Nice. Okay. Let's go. Testing, testing.
It's like he hasn't been here 20 minutes.
What's that?
I said, you just got here.
I just got here. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, line starts. Through the barricade?
Yeah. So the line kind of started here, and we're basically wrapping around just to go into that queue. And then once we go into those little doors there, then there's another, like, we're basically on the other side is security, and then they're gonna check our bags, we'll take out laptops and everything. It feels like an airport security, and from there we're gonna go to the Gateway Pavilion. So the Gateway Pavilion is where you see over there, and that's the building that's gonna have all the cool stuff in there. It goes pretty far out into the bay, and from there, there's some rooms up above where we're able to like hang out. And inside last year, they had like a bunch of really great like settings and stuff to sit down, couches. Almost looked like you could do kind of like a whole like podcast scene. So, yeah, just kind of hang out. What else do you think about their dropping the agent builder? Probably API access, probably for Sora, maybe. I want some codex updates. Would be super great. I wouldn't be surprised if something comes in there like faster speed or like another codex update to kind of keep up with all the stuff that's been happening. Because it's developer day, right? Anything to make my job a lot easier is definitely appreciated. Let's see, anything else?
And I was
Oh yeah.
like,
What's going on, man? You're back.
Yes.
Yo, what'd you find out?
Epic.
I went to the bathroom.
Okay, cool.
I hope my microphone was
No, I turned it off.
connected.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Am I back connected?
Let's see. I'm unmute it.
I think I'm back
Okay,
connected.
yeah, you're back. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what up? How many people we got in here?
We got 67.
67.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
This is the most important live stream in the entire world. Do not leave. Do not even leave for the OpenAI official live stream. This is the only one you want to be on. This is the most important live stream you ever watch in your entire life. Do not leave. Leave a like. We're at 27 likes. If this
Let's
doesn't
go.
get to 40 likes in the next 10 seconds,
My guy's a hype man. Let's go.
then GPT won't release any new features. The only way you get new GPT features today is if this gets to 40 likes. Pound the like. Pound it with everything you got. Pound it now.
Bro, you're like the craziest hype man right now.
What you got to do? We're at OpenAI. We're at 28.
Yeah,
Keep them coming. Keep the likes
who
coming.
else
Keep
is live
pounding.
with you right now? Like literally, we've been live. You've seen the Waymos like kill each
32.
other. Like who's doing this right now,
Look at
bro?
this.
Like who's taking you here right now?
Look, we got to 32.
Yeah.
This is how you get the likes up.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we gotta get the algo. We gotta get some.
1348. That's sick, dude.
Yeah. That was from the London, the $10.
That was very nice.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Shout out that guy.
Yeah. That's awesome. So yeah, what do you guys want to see Dev Day? Who else want to see an interview here?
We might get a Sam. If we get to 50 likes right now, we'll get a Sam Altman interview.
Just walk up, just pull up, say, hey Sam, I've been cameoed in your lives. Yeah, that's what's up. Keep cooking.
This might not even be a real live stream. This might be a
this is-
Sora video.
This is a Sora video.
This
Yeah,
might
you're
be an extended Sora video you're watching.
Yeah. Right.
Our time to shine.
Bro, more famous than like the NBA players. Bro.
They are. They're making way more too.
Let's get that bag, bro. Yeah, just casually walking in.
Hopefully
Yeah,
that'll be the gift for everyone here. It's just a bag full of money. It's just every single person walking in.
the OpenAI bag. I was like, I got my OpenAI bag. So are they going to want to see the ID when we get back inside?
I'd imagine.
Okay.
I'd imagine
yeah.
as well.
Hey.
Sure, got mine
Okay.
still. Yep.
Yeah, still got mine. Watching you guys from Spain, España. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
What's up,
Muy bien.
Spain?
Yeah.
Shout out Spain.
Yeah.
We're in Spain.
Yeah, we're in Spain. Yeah. I was just there. San Sebastian. Ah, beautiful. OpenAI and AMD entered a strategic chip supply partnership. OpenAI will deploy 6 gigawatts of AMD GPUs.
We got some OpenAI news. You bringing some OpenAI news?
I think they're saying, yeah.
Yeah,
AMD
was up like 27% today. Cause that.
It's insane, bro.
It's unbelievable.
Like all the semi stocks.
Should have invested in it.
Portugal, Lisbon. Hey, how's it going from? Oh, Valencia. Oh, Valencia. I love Valencia. That's so chill. Watching from Dominican Republic. GPT-6, man, I feel it. You think we're gonna get GPT-6?
My friend who knows absolutely nothing about technology on Sora, and this is his first video.
Like a rocket ship thing?
Let me play that again. That's
Bruh.
This is the worst AI movie I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, so this is kind of what the line's looking like. So we just were in the line here, and then we basically popped around, and then we're here. And then I don't know if you saw that frog. There's a little frog kind of peeping its eyes out right now, waiting for us to enter the building. And so once we get here, there's yet another queue that zigzags around. And then on the other side of that is actually security. And so that's what we'll be going in. So yeah, that's what's up. All right, man. So I saw Lee Rob from Cursor here. I saw a bunch of other folks. Who else? Did you see anyone else?
No.
Okay.
I've seen the most important person here, which is Ray.
You.
Ray.
That's awesome. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. New image model, guardrails, dashboard. There's talk that OpenAI might launch a new.
Get rid of the guardrails. Every time I try to make a Sora video, it says violation.
Yeah, violation. Bro.
I say, make me petting a turtle. It's violation. Get out of here.
Yeah. Image 1 mini kind of variant, plus guardrails for dashboard API users. All right. So are you think they're going to clap back against Google Gemini? They got to, right?
What part are they clapping back about?
Just make it faster. Because right now the high fidelity image thing takes forever, and it's not even that consistent.
Yeah, here's the issue though. Google's coming out with something like the next 3 days. You know, the
Seriously?
moment this is done.
Yeah.
Google's releasing the next.
Oh, did you see that 11 Labs announced their base agent builder?
No, what like
This morning, yeah.
The thing that OpenAI's released.
Yes. Yeah.
Does it look sick?
It looks actually pretty good. Yeah.
Here. Really? Is it?
Yeah.
Did you see the video of what they're releasing here today?
Yeah.
The preview.
Yeah.
Which one looks better?
Well, 11 Labs didn't show the UI. They showed the animations of what it can look like. It does look pretty fire. And they already have all the voice stuff built in.
I will say, 11 Labs, man, they're the only ones playing in their lane. Like, they're the only ones doing, like, the audio music stuff, and they're killing it.
And good UI.
It's really good, yeah. They, I mean, I guess that's the secret, is, like, you got to try to find the game. You got to try to find the game that only you are playing.
Right.
Like, if you're, like, Factory and Cursor and all them, like, you're playing the same game everyone else is playing, right? OpenAI is playing it, Claude's playing it. You got to be like 11 Labs, where they're like, okay, we're going to find a game that only us are playing. Like, who else is making, like, the music generation stuff? Like, no one else.
Right. Yeah.
So that's the question. If you're watching this live stream, or you're me or you're Ray, and you're like, okay, I want to make money and I want to build something, it's like, what is the lane I can carve out that no one else is in at the moment?
Right.
It's still a lot of opportunity, you know?
Yeah. And I also feel like you can even go to an existing lane if you're passionate about it. Because I think speed is going to drive adoption in some way. Because if you're iterating with your customers, it's more important getting the right UI and taking an extra couple weeks or a month. I feel like waiting a week can kill a certain companies. Agent builder that was rumored, right? Like based off of a leak. These guys at 11 Labs put everything together just to pump out that video this morning, right?
Mhm.
Like they probably didn't go to sleep since yesterday, the last 24 hours,
Yeah.
right?
They had to beat OpenAI.
Yeah, I mean, that's the level of playing field that you're in. Like, if you just need to be competitive to kind of keep up with.
Yeah, it's cutthroat. I mean,
Yeah.
either way, don't let it stop you from building. Like, there's a lot of people like, oh, there's nothing out there that hasn't been built yet, so I'm just not going to build anything. It's like, no, like, it's better to be in a very crowded lane than no lane at all. Like,
Right.
at the very least, be in some lane.
Yeah.
You know,
Someone's like Sam Altman. I do not look like. Do you think I look like Sam Altman? I don't think I look like Sam Altman.
there's no one in the world who looks like less like Sam Altman than you. You were the polar opposite of Sam Altman.
Yeah, I was like, I don't.
Sam Altman's some skinny white dweeb. You're not a skinny white dweeb, dude. What are you talking about? Who said that? What moron said that?
Dude, there's like
Ebenezer Scrooge? What's his?
Frosty. Yeah.
Yeah, what are you talking about, dude? Clean your eyeballs.
Your channel name is
My channel name, Alex Finn Official.
Alex Finn Official. Okay, so yeah, and then follow him on X. How many followers you got now on X, bro?
317,000.
1,000.
317,000. I actually have the highest follower count on X. Not many people know that.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. And Elon.
Let's see, ChatGPT browser. Okay, ChatGPT browser. What do you think?
No, that'd
No?
be stupid.
Yeah.
Why?
I mean, Claude has
Why
a.
we didn't, no one's switching from Chrome. Like it's just like,
What about the plugin like Claude Code
well, I think
or Claude's browser?
right. I think Claude did it the right way, which is
Yeah.
they built an extension so you don't force. I think forcing people to switch browsers will be too difficult. I think if you want to win the browser war, you need to do it with something that's not a browser, right? If it's a Chrome competitor, I just don't think enough people switch from Chrome. But if you build something that's just a completely different paradigm than browsers, then I think you can win.
Interesting.
Like that's why I don't think Perplexity is gonna win. It's like I just don't like. I think people will download it and like the
Yeah.
novelty will wear off after a few days, and then they'll switch back to Chrome. So
True.
I think it would be dumb if they released a
Or
browser.
there's no like one killer use case that just makes you stay in that browser because.
Right. There needs to be some use case that's so beyond incredible that it'll force people to switch. Like, as you look at
Was so killer. People didn't even only had Edge.
Yeah. features aren't like killer enough. Like I'm not walking all day with my phone out. Ooh, what is this?
Yeah, right, yeah.
What's this? Gemini, what is this?
Right.
It's cool. It's better than iPhone, but it's not like changing my life. It would have to change people's lives to get them off of Chrome.
Yeah. It's very dangerous playing in a area with their eyes on or whatever. Yeah. I feel like. Let's see. What's this? 11 Labs are cooked.
11 Labs are cooked.
Nah. New image.
Your agent builder's cooked.
Yeah. AI girlfriends from this live event.
This is not a XAI event.
Yeah. This.
Elon's not running this event.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Let's see. It's very dangerous playing in the area. Okay. Yeah.
Man, I hope we get enough time to eat breakfast. I didn't.
Yeah. It's already 9 o'clock, and the keynote's gonna be like in 45 minutes almost. Yeah. 'Cause we got to get a seat. I think you're gonna get breakfast for sure. Because we're here. Basically, as soon as we get on the other side, we go through security, and I think we're in. Yeah, the breakfast is actually outside this year. It looks like I see the breakfast coffee stuff. Last year it was actually indoors, but we're lucked out. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco, and there's a huge line to get in, and we're already currently in line right now, and we're going to be able to see our friends. So we're in the queue. By entering, you agree that you may be filmed or photographed. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, that's what's up. And so this is kind of like the lay of the land right now. We're currently at Fort Mason Center, and we're in a queue to get in. And the first thing that we're going to have to set up is go through security. And once we're through security, we're going to be hanging out there outside in the grass. And then from there, going to be hanging out. So yeah, see if you see any.
Give him a wedgie. YouTube doesn't want you to say give him a wedgie in the chat.
I guess so,
section.
yeah. That's funny. Automatically help. Okay.
11% Sam Altman. What are these people on? You
Yeah.
smoking weed, dude? What
Yeah,
the hell are
like
you
I don't
talking
think
about?
I think they've only seen me from the face up or something like that.
Yeah, you're not looking like Sam Altman.
Yeah. Okay,
That's a good thing you're not
okay,
looking.
chat. How tall do you think I am? Like, I think that's another question.
Much taller than me. I'm average person height.
Right? Because I actually put, I keep the camera at eye level, so most people just think I'm just kind of this normal level. But like, really, I'm just kind of like
He's like 7'4".
I'm like towering on people. Like, yo, what's up?
He's like literally.
Yeah. We doesn't.
Yeah, you would know. Ruben R. Like 6'3" would be my
Yeah,
guess. Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
We're chilling. Let's see if we see anyone. Cool. We're getting so close. Okay, the entrance of the line is right here, and we're probably what 2 minutes away. Are you glad you went to the bathroom?
The worst ratio in party history.
Yeah.
I'm glad I went to the bathroom.
Yeah.
This is
My
if you're
God.
single, do not come to OpenAI Dev Day. If you're a guy.
Yeah, it's a great place to market AI girlfriends, maybe.
Yeah, would be a good place to launch their Ani competitor.
Did you try the friend thing? Did you buy that at all?
No.
Okay.
I mean, I bought a limitless pendant.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing, right? They're all the same thing. They're just microphones that record everything in
Yeah.
AI, right?
Right.
Yeah, I think it's cool. I think it's the future, but much like the Meta displays, it's just not there yet.
Yeah.
It's just
So
not where it
early.
needs to be.
Like the AI pen?
Yeah, it's just not there yet.
Yeah.
You know? Tech needs to improve, but the concept I think is the future.
Yeah.
It's just not where it needs to be.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see how we're gonna get through security right now. I know that they're checking bags right here, so we'll see. Yeah, that'd be really interesting. And this is kind of what the lines are looking like right now. Crazy. Screen bomb. All right. Crazy. Are you ready for this, bro?
I'm ready. I'm about to cameo a friend for the first time in
Let's
store
go.
because I finally got one of my friends on here, so I'm gonna make him do ridiculous things.
Let's go. Okay, 90% agent builder, 75% guardrails, 70% dashboard. Image 1 mini 60%. ChatGPT browser 50%. Sora 2 expansion 40%. Okay. GPT store revamp. Oh, that wasn't in my cards. GPT store. Like
Really?
revamp?
I
Yeah.
think that's dead.
Dev pricing shift and then the desktop app. Mhm. Yeah. Tell security the guy in the front of you has weed. I was like, yeah, this guy has weed.
Yeah, right.
They'd be like, yo, let me buy some off you, bro. What's your price? What's the market price right now? Let's see. All right, so let's see. Image 1, Dolly 4. Ooh, you think like a faster image 1?
That'd be cool.
Yeah,
That'd
because
be
right now
sick.
the image generation thing takes forever.
I feel like there hasn't been like a good image model up in a while.
What about like a diffusion model, like for like code or something? Yeah.
That'd be cool. I just want. I wish I can.
Oh, it says please have your ID and QR code ready. Let me see. I should have my actual QR code in my wallet app on my watch. That way I could just do it that way. Yeah,
Do you
I
have
got
it
it.
in there?
Yeah,
Oh,
I got it.
mine on here.
Yeah, fire. That way I could just scan. So I got my watch pulled up, and then I'm gonna do that. Crazy.
This is
Yeah,
it.
this is it. Right? Like we're almost here. Yeah, this is crazy right now.
I can't wait to see all the free shit we're gonna get.
You think so?
I hope so.
You think they're gonna like gimp out? Because like there's a lot more
I hope
people this
so.
year.
They better.
Yeah.
Trillions of dollars in the bank.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, cool. Right here. All right, we entered the next part of this little. How do you describe this thing? Welcome, developers. Congratulations, Alex. You're a developer.
Good to be here.
So we're almost in. We're probably the meme of today is going to be 5 minutes. We're only 5 minutes away for the next thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, in case you're wondering, we're only 5 minutes until we get inside. So it's 9:15 right now. What time did we get here?
I think like 8:45.
8:45?
Yeah.
Dang. Custom GPTs are used within enterprise companies. I know one that I work for uses a lot. That's interesting.
What was that?
I wonder if that'll be
Say that
replaced
again?
by Agent Builder, and then you can sell agent workflows.
Say the comment one more time.
Custom GPTs are used within enterprise companies. I know one that I work for uses a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know anyone using custom GPTs.
Well, I know certain people sell them as part of like their like offerings for education and stuff.
Really?
For like script writing or other things. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
You can.
Here, let me.
Yeah.
Hold this for real.
Let's get you on.
Let me get me wired up real quick.
Alright,
Sorry.
yeah. You can just do like this.
Yeah.
Underneath, yeah.
Like I know I did that at training. Yeah. So
There we go.
Nice.
Am I better?
Yeah.
There we go.
You're
Okay.
good.
Yeah. Are people like making money off that? Are they selling the GPTs?
I think so. Yeah.
That's sick. Shout out them.
Yeah.
People making money off GPTs.
Agent Builder likely be quite short of what Anyhand was. Yo, Robin, what's going on, man? We're here live. We're. What did she say?
Charging blocks out.
Set it off. Okay, dang. So I gotta literally take apart my whole backpack because everything metal.
And making
All
sure
right,
that
so
it's secure.
chat, we're about to go through security right now. I have no clue what it's gonna look like, but this is gonna be pretty crazy. I might get strip checked, and I'll keep you all in the loop with that.
You might be naked on stream. They better have good breakfast.
Sorry. Yeah, I think they're gonna have some fire breakfast,
They
bro.
better have some good breakfast, man.
You know it's gonna be gluten free. All right, so I'm gonna handle this right now. And Gosu, what's going on, man? Is Gosu here? Say hi to Tech Friend if you see him. I don't think Gosu is gonna be here. I got a lot of stuff with me here. Security. All right, let me get my. Oh no.
I think he's gonna take our laptop and chargers out.
Yeah. Basically, just gonna. For those who don't know, I got like a laptop full of all kinds of stuff. We'll see. Basically, just gonna do this. Maybe Johnny Ive demo. We'll see. What is it? This is like a security situation right now. Bro, you ready?
We're doing this.
We're doing this. We have to take out the microphone too.
Oh, really? All right.
Let's see. Yeah.
Morning. Yeah, other than the charger, which is in my bag.
I need to put them out because I have a bunch of stuff. Okay.
Go on one.
Okay.
Which one's two?
How's it going, sir? I got a bunch of live stream stuff. Is that cool?
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Yeah. Is that cool? Yeah, I don't mind.
So I'm gonna have to just.
I got you, fam.
Come out of the bag.
I got this here. You guys just want to see it?
Just take it all
Okay, cool.
out.
Yeah.
No.
Cool. Battery packs. I think this, these guys, right? What's that? Is that cool? And then AirPods and stuff.
Yes.
Oh yeah. I got you. This here.
Yeah, because it's probably still gonna. All that stuff is still gonna set off.
Oh, I see.
This line.
Oh, I see.
If you're trying to get through this line.
Yeah. I just take them all out.
Yeah,
It's just like metal and everything, right?
it's all that stuff's gonna.
Oh, got it. All right, cool.
All right, go ahead.
So anything metal. I think I got these here. All right. So I got this here. I think. And then my microphone as well. Okay, cool.
Okay.
I got you.
I'm gonna have you have your bottle there as well.
Okay.
And then pens and stuff too.
The small stuff is fine, like this one, AirPod, watch, electronic watch is fine.
Oh, metal. Got it.
I think that's everything.
Oh, gotcha.
Just wait for him then.
Damn, bro. I
Then
came
you can-
loaded. Okay. Literally everything.
You good?
Okay, I got you.
Lunch tail. I think there was something. Yeah, I think there was already something.
Thank you for your patience.
There was something on the other table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yo.
This one here. What is that even? We have no power back and all that stuff. Okay.
Perfect. Take care. That's a good idea. Oh, cool. All right, cool.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool, we made it. All right. My wallet. I think. Just want to make sure I got my wallet out. And then the ID they're gonna take over there, right?
Okay.
The ID.
Scan your QR. I got a QR code.
Okay. All right, fam. We made it. 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 Did my friend Alex make it though? Thank you. Hi. How are you? Appreciate it. Thanks. Okay. Guest services. All right. Let's go. Please go ahead. Yeah.
I'm gonna put this back in.
All right. All right. Hi. How are you? Thank you.
We're so prepared.
Oh yes. I got the code and everything. Can I just scan?
You should be able to.
Okay.
Yeah. Camera.
Okay. Oh, nice. Cool. Yeah. Ray Fernando. Nice.
Excellent.
Okay. Cool.
There you are.
Awesome.
So on that print.
Oh, I got a little.
This guy.
Okay. Cool. Is it
There's
fancy?
a pin.
Okay.
Tap it. Map and the schedule for the day.
Nice. From my phone. Okay. Cool. How's your day today?
Wonderful. How's yours?
Oh my God, it's the best day in the world.
Great day.
Yeah, I know, right? The weather and everything.
Right?
That's so cool.
Have a
What's your
great
name?
day, Samantha.
Samantha. Thank you so much, Samantha.
Absolutely.
Let's go. I'm in. Cool. Awesome. Wow. So this is the outside breakfast area. Hi. Let's go, fam. The lag is real. I know there's a lot of people using iPhones here. So check this out. There's a sticker bank. Alex.
Yes.
Yo.
You're the live stream?
Yeah, I'm a live stream, of course, bro. The whole thing. We've been Alex
everyone.
Thursday Eye. This is the person I talk about every single day. You gotta check him out.
I'm just miking up, so we're gonna do a live stream as well. Hey,
Yes,
everyone.
let's cook, fam.
Just
Yeah.
Show them the thing.
The little thing, yeah. We're just getting started, fam. Over here, you got this guy, the frog, the whole vibe. Right now, like, look at you, bro. You're so cinematic right now.
No, setting up.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Like right now, it looks unreal. It looks like you're actually in a movie. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the check-in center. We got the sticker station. Yo, let's pull up. Oh, we can add stickers. Yo, what kind of drip you got?
I got a vibe coding. I got extremely online.
Let's go, bro.
I might put one of these animals on here too.
Let's cook. Yeah.
Animals
Gotta get
mean
the.
something. What
They
do the
do?
animals mean?
I don't know.
I like the bunny.
Well,
I like
put
the-
one on,
I gotta do the
hopefully
green
it doesn't
frog.
mean anything crazy.
DevOps, backend, data, AI, ML. I'm gonna do the frog.
What do the animals mean?
I just really like the frog.
Okay, so there's no meaning behind it.
I don't know because
Let's see.
I'm a developer myself.
Bam.
Okay.
Let's see if I can put one of these little froggy things on it.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
Cool.
Well, I'm gonna
Not
pray for
bad.
the best.
I think I should buy.
Channel, right?
Yeah.
Watch you on.
No way. We're live right now.
Oh my god.
What's your name? Benjamin.
Bro, I've been watching you since you're like 1K.
You're no way, bro.
So serious.
What? Yo, we're live right now with Ben. Been watching here since the very beginning. What's
Yeah.
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 On. Awesome. Yo, no way.
That's so cool.
Let's cook.
Are you from there? You like
The Bay Area.
got me really into cloud code.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
I was cloud coder guy before that.
Really? Both?
No, I'm asking which one do you prefer?
Right now, GPT-5
I
high.
agree.
Yeah.
Kodak.
Yeah, Codec. Just pull up, bro.
That's it. Yeah. They don't have.
Like if I do that, like that's like peak. No.
So how are you gonna do it? You're just gonna go up to them on stage, be like, "Hey, I have a YouTube channel.
Well,
Talk to me, Sam Holden."
Back in the day, I gave Johnny the Apple Watch before
Okay.
he went to go see Anna Wintour, and I used to go to the.
Oh, you work
in the-
at Apple?
yeah,
Yes, yes, I do that. I'm a real fan.
Yeah, low key. Yeah. So, dude, did you get any stickers?
I do.
It's stickered up.
I need. Okay, I got to get the vibe coding one, right?
So you gotta get one of the animals.
Like we're the OG vibe coding.
Yeah.
Bro, let's go. Okay, let's get this vibe coding.
That one.
Vibe coding.
That's the coolest one.
This one? The bat?
I think I got the frog, the vibe coding one.
Oh.
Yo,
I like the owl better. I should have done the owl. Crap.
I just got off.
Is this on? Is this mic
Yeah,
on?
I
All
hear
right, cool.
your
It's
live
on. I've been having my back pockets. Hope I didn't mess up all the audio.
Oh yeah, my bad.
No, you're good.
Yeah, because we had to go through security. And that was kind of a crazy show. You know what I mean?
Yes.
All right, so there's a lot going on. Let's go get some food for you though.
Yeah, let's get some
All right.
food.
I want to make sure we got the food.
Great to meet you.
Yeah, great to meet you, man. For sure. Yeah. Awesome. Yes. Form my head. Dude, what's going on, bro? This guy is the real MVP. Introduce yourself real quick.
Hey guys, I'm Arian, and yeah, I work
OG V0, right?
OG V0.
Yeah, V0, V0. He's the V0 guy.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Alex, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. Holy smokes. I'm just kind of roaming around. Let's get some food. Have you got some food yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, let's go around. I think, yeah, that way, yeah.
Do it. Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to get some food. Just pull up the scene. We're going to see a whole bunch of people here. It's outdoors. The weather is stunning here in San Francisco. It's never this beautiful. I think they kind of lucked out because it could have been super cold outside. Yeah. Yeah. How's it going? Let's see. So this is the coffee station. If you want to try to get some coffee, there's kind of outdoor hangout. And then the pavilion, the inside has not opened yet, from what I understand, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah. And then I think the keynote will probably. So there's a lot bigger audience. Were you here last year?
I wasn't.
Okay.
First
Yeah.
time.
Compared to last year, there's a lot of people. And I think.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. So I'm gonna mute your mic for now, Alex. Okay. Awesome. Cool. There's a podcast lounge reservations. What's this for? Of course.
We have like 20 odd tickets, so it's very limited.
Really?
For the various podcasts that are going to take place after the keynote in the pavilion. We have a live podcast studio.
Wow. I love your accent. It's so beautiful. Yeah.
Ticket per person.
Oh, Matt Berman. I know this guy.
Do you want to go to Matt Berman?
Yeah. Is there one for that?
Yeah.
Oh, great. That's awesome. Cool. We're good to see Matt Berman. How's it going? What's your name?
Bema.
Bama.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Meet you.
Did I just cut in line, by the way? Oh. Okay. Awesome. I appreciate it. I don't mean to do that. Yeah, cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. Cool. I got in. Oh, dude, what's going on, man?
What's going on? Nice
I'm sorry.
To see you.
Hey, dude.
Are you streaming?
Yeah, I'm streaming. Of course, bro.
Good.
Yeah, we're live right now.
Yo.
Yeah, when am I not streaming?
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Great to see you.
Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, all the best.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, hi. So, a little bit quick intro. Yeah, you work now at MongoDB.
Yeah, Aftar. I'm a PM at MongoDB. Also, I'm on YouTube, AI with Aftar, talking about agentic coding tools. Excited for a great OpenAI Developer Day. Great to be here. And yeah, shout out to Ray for a great job. He's a GOAT.
Let's go. Let's go. Cool, man. Cool. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Cool. What's your name?
I think we follow each other. From
Yes. That's cool.
Yeah.
So what are you working on? It's okay. Yeah. No, we're good. Okay. Yeah, we'll chat more later. Okay. There's a lot of people. I forget. So like, I'm very outgoing, obviously, as you could probably tell. And I get really excited. And so it's really easy for me to just kind of talk to everyone. But I realize that also other people don't really want to be on camera right now. So I kind of want to respect that too. So I'm going to make sure to just kind of get out of the way. And so there's a bunch of stuff that's going on. Here to help. Okay.
Both of these buildings will be open for the rest of the session.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
This one has 2 floors, so
Got
there's
it.
2 different stages and breakout rooms.
Got it.
If you wanted to get the calendar
Okay.
agenda,
Okay.
actually
You're so
It's
helpful.
only great when it works, though.
Exactly.
So.
Yes. Hey, how's it going?
Content, mine for a selfie.
Let's go. Awesome. Yeah, cool. Pavel. Of course.
Poland.
Yeah, Poland from Snowflake.
From Snowflake.
You wanna?
Snowflake.
We're on a live stream. You wanna say hello?
Hello, everyone.
What are you working on?
Everything.
Everything. What's your favorite thing? What are you most excited about right now to launch?
I
Or-
would
yeah.
expect today's announcement around the magical device. but
Oh,
I'm
okay.
expecting this is postponed
Okay.
because I read the leaks of Washington Post or somewhere.
Yes.
And second thing, let's see the agent builder
Let's
because
see.
I already seen
Yeah.
the GUI
Uh-huh.
leaked as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And what else? I have no clue what else can show up there.
Yeah, yeah. I'm curious to see the agent builder
You want to see the
APIs.
video?
Yeah, the video.
I haven't.
Yeah, right. Yeah, like already. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it
Have you got
says
food yet?
Yeah, great
What-
food there.
Okay. I need to get some food, and then I want to take a picture. And I think that's the main
Recommend the-
keynote, like
Keynote
line.
will happen in the.
Okay.
in the
So there's no queue right now, right? So like the earlier, are they letting people inside yet? Oh, they are.
They already have, yes.
Oh, okay.
Would be smart to.
So yeah, probably get in
be the
there
first
earlier.
mover.
Yeah, yeah,
Enjoy
yeah.
the day.
Well, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. Cool. So I know some people are going to be there, I guess. Me said we don't have much money. Haha. Snowflake once tried to buy their domain name from me. Oh, wow. Let's see. Okay, so right now, the best option is probably to get fueled up. And it's going to be a long day. As you can kind of see, here's the agenda right now. It's a lot of stuff going on. I don't know if I can go to all the... Hey, what's up? Right, Carson? Let's go to a live stream. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, no, it's on mute, by the way. Yeah, yeah, you're good. Yeah. So, yeah, so this is the agenda right now. Holy smokes. Oh. Okay, we back. We should be back now. Okay. So my friends, Ryan Carson, he's over there from AMP. And then we also have Alex Finn, some folks hanging out, getting some coffee. And then let me just give them a quick heads up on the mezzanine situation. Yo, yo, yo. Real quick. They said that the live stream is going to start in 30 minutes in that room. So people are already being let in. So if you want to get some seats, yeah, I'm going to try to grab. Any good food? Try to grab something real quick. I'm gonna grab some food. It's kind of hard to grab stuff while also like. So I have a problem because I have celiac disease, and I have to figure out what food is gluten free or not. So a lot of food has gluten in it, and I'll show you real quick. Wow. Hi. Are there any food that's gluten free that I can find?
It could be the yogurt. Could be.
The yogurt? Okay, cool. You know if they like.
Yes, gluten.
Oh, gluten free. Nice. Okay, cool. Oh, and then the whole fruit. All right, let's go. Awesome. Seriously? Oh, it's vegan, but not. That's dairy free. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. That looks legit. I think I'm gonna do one of these. Awesome. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna pull up on a fire hydrant and see if I can kind of chill out over here. Actually, there's more benches and stuff. Okay. So yeah, so Alex Finn was right. Like the ratio is crazy high to males to like females. There's like 3 females maybe. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. Whatever. We're gonna be chilling. So yeah, signal's still pretty bad. It's probably gonna get better over here, or maybe not. So away from everyone, and we'll see. I got 2 bars. I'm gonna try to see if I could eat right now. Literally chilling, and the beautiful bay. So yeah, let me know if you can kind of still see things. Tech bro world definitely. Yeah, better now. Okay, cool. Basically away and kind of doing some things. So yeah, the keynote's coming up. A lot of folks that I see here from different places. Cursor team's up in here. I'm gonna try to see their thing afterwards. So it looks like Matt Berman's here. He's actually one of the speakers. I'm gonna meet up with him. I didn't really know he was gonna be here, but we'll see. This is fire. Eggs. I need protein. Sausage. Sweet potato. Fire. Okay. So, oh, there's all the ladies. I think we have all the ladies right here for the event. Want me to go say hello? I'll go say hello. Do they have Wi-Fi? Yeah, I think so. Actually, there's a whole media team over there. I need to finish eating this so I can smile without aching my teeth. Let's see if I can see some people. All right. So yeah, we're here for Dev Day Live. It's pretty fun. I've never really done a live stream this long. I just thought, why not just try like a vertical live stream? And a lot of different events are happening right now. I think from here on forward, I'll be going live at different times, probably during breaks. Maybe catch you up. So I'm gonna see if I can pull up on some folks. Okay. Look at this gimbal. Fancy camera. Okay. I'm gonna find a camera. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I want to go pumpkin though.
Wow. Okay. Let's kind of throw this away here. I need to go bathroom so bad. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can roll up, pull up on people. Let's go, fam. So here I am walking up. This is where the festival pavilion is. Stream it. No, I can't. I can't. So let's see. Wow. Very cool. Awesome. Oh, they got some more espresso machines. I'm gonna.
Chatted for 5 seconds yesterday.
Oh yeah. This is where it's taking place. This is the main building. We're walking in right now with me, live. OpenAI Dev Day 2025. Let's cook, fam. Can you believe we made it? Hi there, how's it going? Thank you. What? Sick. Whoa. Okay, the music right now. What's that? Okay. This is fancy. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a movie right now. OpenAI Dev Day 2025. 0 frames per second. Of course, my bad. It's okay. Hopefully it'll recover. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, can I get super close? I need to be like at a corner so I can go bathroom. So I don't want to be stuck in the middle. Cool. Absolutely right. Cool. Reserve seating. Okay. Awesome. I think I'm gonna sit over here. Okay. Awesome. Let's see. Reserve. Cool. Join the Wi-Fi. Yeah, let me see if I can join the Wi-Fi real quick. Hold on. I might have to tap out. Let's see. Um, I don't think I can join the Wi-Fi right now. Starting in 2 minutes. Yeah, definitely. So what's gonna happen is that I won't be allowed to do streaming, but I actually have to probably tap out in order to join the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi thing is on this little chip, and that's kind of is what it is. So folks are kind of streaming in right now, and you're allowed to sit at certain places for the keynotes, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now. And yeah, some folks are coming in. It's currently like
Love your video.
Oh, cool. Thanks, man. What's your name?
Pascal.
Oh. That's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. I don't know how good the connection is right now, but it's probably pretty bad. Okay. That's kind of what's going on. How's it going? Cool. Crazy. All right, Shah, I think I'm going to be heading on out because connection is pretty bad. And I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So next live stream will probably be after the keynote.